I'd say it's obvious you're fed up somehow. Been hesitating, pulling away when all that you're trying to do is seize my mind. Ooh, serves me right for being way up in my head and never let you inside. Ooh, fuck my life, I wanna try to make it better, but I don't know how. 'Cause now I'm thinking, oh my, what if you just let go of me? 'Cause I don't know if you want it or not. Thinking, oh my, what if you just let go of me? 'Cause I don't know if I'm what you want.
I've been here waiting, it feels like ages. All I can think about is where we went wrong. You can be cold sometimes, don't even know you sometimes. Am I the only one who's trying to hold on? Ooh, serves me right for being way up in your space when I should give you some time. Ooh, fuck my life, I wanna try to make it better, but I don't know how.
'Cause now I'm thinking, oh my, what if you just let go of me? 'Cause I don't know if you want it or not. Thinking, oh my, what if you just let go of me? 'Cause I don't know if I'm what you want. So many things I'd like to say to you. If I was only fucking capable to, I wouldn't blame you if you wanted to move on. I'm just thinking, oh my, what if you just let go of me? If you let go of me, don't you let go. Thinking, oh my, what if you just let go of me? 'Cause I don't know if you want it or not. Thinking, oh my, what if you just let go of me? 'Cause I don't know if I'm what you want. Right.
Hi. Oh my goodness. Hi. Hi guys. Oh my goodness. Did I enable the Yeah. Oh my goodness. I haven't talked today, like almost. Okay, I talked to someone on the phone, but I basically almost the first thing I've said today, so my voice might be a little bit raspy. I see the ducks. Bloxrod, Elron. Yeah, I see those ducks. I'm not a duck. Haven't you seen the new video? The freaking hell. Oh my goodness, why is there so much stuff open? Didn't you see the new video? Wow. Today, I can talk. I'm capable of talking, as I'm always. One second. Let me show you the new video. There's a new video. Last cooked a lot. Oh no. It's about me not being a duck, okay? I'm not a Yato. Not you too. Hi Deos, it's good to see you. Hi, it's good to see all of you. Hi Jack, hi Scythe, hi Yata, hi Offyjet, hi Aaron. Did you have a good day? I was so lazy. Oh, I had such a Friday today. It was such a freaking Friday. Like if there is a day that is supposed to be like a Friday, today was like a total Friday. Do you know what I mean? Like this very slow, almost kind of like, I would compare it to gum. It was almost like gooey. Just the time was just not ticking on. And I was thinking about doing what I could do, but I didn't really have anything to do because I did most of my stuff yesterday. Because I was pretty productive yesterday. So it was like, what am I supposed to do now? And then I might have started coding something. And it's not working because the click function is not working. Still have to look into that one though. Yeah, still have to look into that one. It's... I tried coding a random picker for science jokes. Yeah, the click is not working. Click is not defined. That's my error code. But I tried doing a video tutorial, and he was able to just put click in there. But maybe I haven't imported the right modules. I'm trying it in JavaScript. I've never written anything in JavaScript. Never. I just followed a tutorial. I mean, it's pretty similar to Python, as far as I'm concerned as of right now. But there's like stuff like add event listener and stuff. I've never worked with stuff like that. Yeah. Oh, maybe. Oh, wait. I see what my problem might be. Oh no. Was I just dumb? Let me check. If I was just dumb. Nah. Cannot read properties of null. Reading add event listener. What do you mean you can't read the properties of null? Dang it! Okay, at least I found out what that error was about. But I haven't found how I can... Okay, hi! Hi, by the way, guys. I'm sorry. Hi, Fishy. Hi, Elron. Hi, Heaven. Hi, Tiger. Hi, Topbox. Hi, Shauna. Hi, Mato. Hi, Peter. It's good to see you. Yes, I did have a very good day. I went to the gym. I slept in today because I'm still not over the whole time changing stuff with I'm still not over it. I slept in today, then I went to the gym. I got good news. There will not be a stream on Wednesday next week because Buna is gonna stream on Wednesday, but we're gonna have one on Monday and on Friday definitely. I don't know which other day we might have a stream because Buna is busy on Thursday with in real life stuff, so yeah, we're gonna see you. And I'm actually so busy with in real life stuff. Like on Sunday I'm gonna meet Emily, on Monday I'm gonna meet someone from my family, and then on Thursday I'm gonna do some other in real life stuff. There's like 3 back-to-back in real life events happening. It's gonna I'm already having anxiety. Maybe I should work a little bit. Like, maybe I should do some more TikToks. But I have like 6 TikToks or 7 TikToks that I did this week. So I have some backing on that end. But I wanted to do some more English TikToks, actually. I wanted to produce some more content with me, who's not a duck. Still talking about that, not a duck. Still not a duck, chat. Hi, Aero. How to make decisions, yes. Well, first you plan to watch a movie, and after that you throw all your plans to watch Ronja. Yeah, that's exactly how you do it, Heaven. You got the golden kappa again? Oh gosh, not a diving duck. Hi, Tank. It's so good to see you. Don't worry. Hi, it's so good to see you. I am not cute or cool or adorable. No, never. Hi, Nameless. Oh, and I prepped some stuff for Thursday because, like I said, I'm gonna have in real life stuff on Thursday. I needed to make some reservations for transportation and stuff, and they had to talk to people. Ugh, people. Ugh. Hi, Silver. Yes, there's a new video. Yeah, there's a new video. And I'm not a duck. Still not a duck. Hi, Panda. Hi, Wanda. It's so good to see you. Hi, Zombie. Hi, Jäger. Rindverständigungsüberwachungsaufgaben, Übertragungsgesetz zu YouTube-Blogschrott. I hope you had an amazing day so far. My internet is worse than the past days. But you finished another game 100%. At least you finished... Which game did you finish? Another Yakuza game or something else? Hi, dude. It's so good to see you. Language. What is language? What is language? I can't speak. I kind of relate to that. Sometimes days just keep on dragging. Exactly. Show me. I probably found the error. I wanted to make a clickable button on a website. So I followed a tutorial. I just literally maybe. Nah, that's not the problem. I literally just wrote what they wrote, at least for the HTML and the JavaScript, and I just modified the JavaScript because it was like a random sentence generator tutorial. But I mean, like, it basically functions like a random sentence picker. Shouldn't be that different. So I just modified it a little bit. But the clicking portion of click the button is not working because they just use the event listener thingy. Is it a function? Is it a script? I'm not sure. What do you call it? Element. Sorry, no, it's elements at event method. Sorry, it's called method. Apparently, it's called method. And they just put the click in the parentheses, and then they just put the function that is supposed to display my random joke in there. And I can't read the properties of null on the event listener. So my, I'm not sure at clicking. Yeah, I see the problem, but how do I, button on click my function click me button. No, wait, I can show you how they did it. That's basically, they displays my function to display my random joke, obviously. They did it exactly like this. So I'm kind of unsure. They did it exactly like this, except for that I obviously had another constant name. Maybe I have to change the constant name because they had maybe I have to change the constant name because I had some problems with the input of the constant name because it also had like some I don't know. But they did it like this. So button is my constant for my function click. Wait, I can show you. It's basically this. Basically did this. Can I show you the whole freaking thing maybe? Is it possible? Yeah, I can just make a screenshot, I guess. Haven't coded in so long. And I've never coded in JavaScript, so it's an experience. I didn't know that you always put like the gosh, what is it called? I don't even know the German word. The comma with a little point right above it. What is that? I don't even know the German word for it. Is that like just a convention that you always put it at the end of every line? Is that just something you do? I guess it's just something you do. At least the dude always did it. Did this. These are my arrays. Oh, yeah, that's still half English, half German. Did like an array with German ones and English ones just as a test. These are my arrays. Then I just have a function to pick a random joke. Then I have a function for the display. And the display and the clicking function are something I just took out of their video. And I'm kind of unsure because it's telling me that the event listener is null. Has properties of null. And I'm not quite sure how to... I didn't look into it because I didn't have the time before stream to look into it. Yeah. Well. Pure JavaScript, I guess. Hi, Clonky. Oh my goodness. Hi, General Tiger. Basti, I see those ducks. I'm just saying. Press X, don't doubt me. Hi, Jade. So good to see you. No duck. No Doug. But Buddha has in... Yeah. Buddha has in real life stuff on Thursday. Exactly. Or adorable or cute. No, I am not. No, I'm neither. Okay, hi, Basti. Wanted to know which language you use. Oh, yeah. I used HTML. I just basically did exactly what they did in the tutorial. Then I followed the tutorial for and modified the tutorial for JavaScript for picking a random science joke. And I haven't looked into CSS yet. That's why my website, oh my goodness, do you want to see? Oh my goodness, it looks so horrible. Because I have never looked into CSS. And I was like, okay, let's just get the JavaScript going before I'm gonna dive into CSS. This is a wonderful website, isn't it? So beautiful. Could never more to you too, see you. Hi, Alpha Omega. Weird programming shock, kinda. I tried to show, yeah, showing us. But why? I don't know that. I just followed the tutorial. I'm sorry. Hi, who's that gamer? Nice to see you. The part after click needs to be a function you want to use. Yeah, display is the function I want to use. This. Oh, maybe. I see. Yes, I see what the problem might be. Thank you. Did I miss? No. Why is that happening? 1 second. Okay, I know what you're talking about. Still, it is a function now. Display is a function now, but it doesn't work. Semicolon, thank you. That stuff. Live coding with the duck. I can't code, okay? Just follow the tutorial. But other languages do. Oh, and that's why he did it probably. Right. I'm just unsure why I get cannot read the properties of null. Somewhere in there's a problem and I don't know. Could you send the video? Yeah. 1 second. Like I said, I modified it a little bit, but it should basically be the same strategy because it's a random sentence generator. But I did, like I said, I did modify it.
That's a bit more like an...
You can skip to the end. The other stuff is just a little bit, yeah. But yeah, the function brackets. Yeah, I did insert the function brackets now, but it doesn't work either. Depends on the language. Some require the semicolon. Do they? You need too much script at the bottom inside the body because the button is not yet there. If it's loaded in the head before the body. I didn't load the button in the head. I did load the button in the body technically. I also took the HTML script they provided. So the title and the generate joke is defined as a class. But we have a button class and we have a H1 class, and both of these are in the body. So I'm just a little bit unsure what I did wrong. But yeah, I have never coded in JavaScript, so maybe that's the problem. Hi Flora, it's so good to see you. Banana peanut butter. Oh, that sounds so good. Exactly, fallen angel. Hi Decaf, it's so good to see you. I lost the script before the button is created because the script is not loaded after the button. Do I need to maybe defer the script? Let me try that. If I defer the script, nah, it doesn't work. Thought that. Oh! 1 second. Ah! Yes, I just needed to defer the script. Oh my goodness, it's working. Sorry. It's working. It's working. Oh my goodness. It's a wonderful website, isn't it? It's wonderful. It doesn't. It's working. Never used defer. They used defer. They used defer in the tutorial. But it kind of didn't work for me because I coded in script.js. But I don't know why. But the freaking script didn't work. I don't know. So I just made a new JS file. And I didn't defer that one. I forgot to defer that one. But now it's working. Hi, Glenn. It's working now. Oh my goodness, yes. Okay. Wait. I can show you something. without doxing myself. Let me just change it to the English jokes. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Hello? Yeah, array of jokes EN. Just need to change the variable. 1 second. And run it again. Reload it. The website itself is in German. Should be technically... Yeah. Like this. Okay. Okay, I hope this works. Can you see? Did you just see something? Or did you not see it? That's the question right now. German jokes I hate it. Yeah, it's not a German joke. Did you see something? Did you see a window? I mean, if you did, it's not a big problem. But did you see a window or did you not see a window? Nothing changed on stream? You did not see a window on stream? You know what? I'm just gonna... You saw nothing? Okay, then the studio mode is actually working. That is very good. Then I can just crop it in studio mode. Okay. Ha. Okay. It's so dumb though, okay? But it's working. I'm happy. I have not looked into CSS yet, okay? Okay. Oh no! No! Wait a second. It's still in German. Dang it. I have to reload the freaking thing. Oh goodness. Hi Garek. It's still in German. Okay. It should be in English now. I hope. I reloaded it. No! Why is it in German? Stop being in German! I already changed that. You should call back the array jokes EN. Why are you calling the jokes German? Why are you calling the German jokes? Don't call the German jokes. It's calling the German. Why? Let me check. I can find the freaking problem. Gosh darn it. It's calling back the German jokes. Probably the Can I just reload the whole side, maybe? The whole project? Let me just reload the whole project. Maybe that helps. No, it does not. Ah, because I just deleted the EN again. Okay, can you just save it, please? Can you just save it, please? Hello? Reload the... Reload it again. Yes! Okay, it's working now. See! It's working! Yay! I'm kind of proud, actually. It's not a lot, but I'm proud, okay? I followed the tutorial, okay, yeah. I still don't know half of the things I did, but that's okay. That's fine. It's always annoying with all the caches. Is it? I'm using like an environment. I'm using Replit right now. I looked up some stuff and I was like, okay, I don't want to download a whole lot of stuff right now, so I just used Replit. And I mean, it's working, so that's pretty nice. I'm kind of happy right now. The German is strong. Yeah, the German is strong within this one today. Hi Ramka. Sure, Fafnir. JavaScript is such a diva in my experience. I've never coded in JavaScript. A Replit. It's called Replit. It's a site. But I'm really proud actually that did this. I mean, it's not a lot. But it is something. The button is working. The button is working. I coded something with a working button. Pog. Not knowing what you're doing half of the time is normal in coding. Like I said, I just followed the tutorial. I mean, but the syntax is pretty similar to Python. So that's something. So I already know some stuff, which is kind of fun. Ah, that's probably where they got the name from. Yeah, oh, that makes sense. Does that finish because I want to unzip? Yeah, it finishes. Wait a second.
Been trapped for 3 months.
I wanna
run your high, run your flower.
Oh yeah, I forgot the unzip. I want to unzip your jeans. Let me, because I want to unzip your jeans. Let me reload it. I hope the cache is not doing dumb stuff again. Yes, it's working. Kat, thank you so much. But the sentence is not correct. Wait a second. Maybe this is a little bit better. Let me reload again. That's very forward. What do you mean? I don't know what you're referring to. Is this a bit better? I may be DNA Haley case because I want to unzip your jeans. Something like this. Kat, thank you so much for your tier 2 sub. Holy shoot, thank you so much for 3 months. You need an automatic Zeilenumbruch. Do I? How do you do that? What is that? Call me a DNA Kelly. Oh yeah, that may be better. Call me. Yeah. Call me DNA Handy Cage because I want to unzip. I just put in 3 I already knew, okay? Those were the 3 ones I know from the top of my head, like without even thinking about them. I make science jokes, but only periodically. It's brr. I saw this. Isn't this also one? Call me DNA Haley Cage because I want to unzip your jeans and you are very cup into the room. Those are the ones I know. Just spotted German potato. Brr would be it. Let me check. Before the button, right? And after the button, we just close it again. Come on. Let me see what it looks like. Come on. Let's look at it. Oh, yes. I think it's better. That's what you meant, right? That's what you were talking about. Don't worry, Favnu. Don't worry about it. Don't stress yourself, please. That's the hottest science joke I've ever heard. Thank you. Hi, Maker. Thanks for triggering my thesis depression. I'm sorry. I just tried my very best right now. It's the first time I did anything in JavaScript, okay? I decided to do some Python and AI stuff. Doesn't matter. It's only a little thing. All big things contain little steps. I'm proud. It's the first time I coded anything in JavaScript, and I haven't done anything in HTML since 8th grade, basically. So that's also kind of nice to look into HTML again. You need to add a string at the array. But the array... Wait. Didn't you say I have to add it in the HTML? Now I'm confused. Should I add it to the HTML or the JavaScript? Because I added it to the HTML. And now we have the button a little bit. Can I make the button bigger? How can I? Probably with CSS, and I haven't looked into CSS yet. Should maybe look into CSS. Because I added... Wait, let me check. Yeah. For the HTML, yeah. I did add it before the button and after, like the BR. I added that one before the button because the array is in the JavaScript. Or do you... Oh, no. Sorry. The display of the array is... Wait. What did you write? You need to add it at the string at the... Do I also have to add it before the... Wait. Let me check. La da da da, making a Christmas with me. Oh oh oh. What are you doing? Can we just please do this? Thank you. Like this. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Got much better in recent years, especially centering stuff got easier with Flexbox. I have never looked into CSS. Like, never ever. That's the next tutorial I'm gonna watch. Because I like, the thing is, I work better with, like, tutorials, so when people tell me what to do, it's easier for me to acquire a skill. So, yeah. I've never, like I said, I've never used CSS. Just set a style, width 200, height 50 pixels, and it's bigger. 1 second. 1 second, let me check something. Can I just maybe? let me try something. I don't know if this is how you do CSS. Let me just try something very, very dumb. Okay? Okay? Let me just... I have no idea what I'm doing. But that's okay, I guess. Okay. Can I reload this now? It worked! Let me try again. Let me try something else. Oh, I forgot the pixels. Oh no, I forgot the pixels. Bigger. You can make the font bigger. Let me try to figure out how. And I wish I would still react like you if it works nowadays. It's not like finally. I mean, it's not my work, you know. That's probably why I'm reacting like this. If it would be my work, can I? Okay. Okay, let me think about font size. Yeah, it's probably called font size, isn't it? Font size. Yes. Okay, let me check. Font size. 69 pixels. I don't know. Yeah. Wait a second. Font style. Font style. 1 second, let me change some stuff. Let's make it English. And let me just change. Oh my goodness, Dr. Bauer would be proud, I hope. I hope that he would be proud. Hi, Daddy D. We're succeeding in dumb stuff, doing very dumb stuff. Ah, dang it. Let me... Yeah. Can I do this without... There it is. See? See, I just modified the stuff that they already had in there. Comic Sans is not working. Is it called something different? Do I have to write it with like, I don't know, a dash or something? Is it Comic Sans? Oh, no. Oh, that's Font Style, not Font Family. It's probably Font Family. Yeah, it's Font Family, not Font Style, right? Hi, Donut! Let me check. Yeah! But that does not look like Comic Sans. Again. Still doesn't look like Comic Sans. Yeah, style is for bold. Oh. I can click it for you. See? Font style is for bold. But font family doesn't work either. Is it font display, font variant? Oh, Comic Sans MS, thank you. Okay, let's try again. Yeah! Oh, did I forget to... Do you have to add the... Yeah, but it's still working, even without these. I love it. Hi, Ayu. Why are we helping? Yeah, apparently there's no no need to use them. I mean, it worked without. Apparently it's just convention. Like the semicolon. My eyes. I mean, we can also make the body. Can't we? Wait a second. How about where is it? I always can't find it. Freaking hell. Oh, we can change. Right. We can change the background color. Ah, yes. I have absolutely no idea. Whatever F... Oh, that is white. Can I just click it? Oh, I can click it! Oh my goodness! Yes! Yes! Let's make it yellow. Yeah, the AI is doing some suggestions. That is actually pretty nice, to be freaking honest. And how about the title? Let's use the title. Let's make the title. Nah, don't change the color, but change the font family to. Is it just? Yes. No, dang it! Didn't work for the title. Didn't work for the title!
Oktan Biber has been trapped for 14 months. Whoa, Runya the coding pro. Hope you're fine.
I'm trying my best, okay? I'm trying my best, yeah. Hi, Bieber, it's so good to see you. Is it? But it auto-completed to Wingdings like this. What is Wingdings called? Look for Google fonts. Alright, let me check something. Flashbang. In small? With a small W? I want to know what it looks like. Dang it. Make the text yellow in the background. The code. Oh my goodness. What is 1818 1B? That's the, oh yes! 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 Yes, definitely. Definitely. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yes, please. Yes. Yes. Yes, definitely. But that's not yellow enough. That's more orange, isn't it? And then we can change the color of this thing. Color. Let's just use the same color. Yes. It's not working for title. Did I call it something different? But it should be. This should be title. I'm kind of confused why it's not title. Let me check my HTML stuff. Hi, Koa. No. Apparently. Oh, it's H1. It might be H1. Right? Yeah. Instead of title, it could be H1. Is it working now? Yes! I love this. This is so fun. That one is quite funny, yes. Oh, wait, yeah, title. Yeah, that I called the I think I did call the class title. Yeah, H1. I called the H1 class title, but it's still H1. So that was the problem I ran into. Let me just start up the music again, though. I am so freaking... I feel very accomplished right now. Okay? I feel so accomplished right now. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, and the button background too. That gray? Let's check. Yes! Yes! Oh, it's so beautiful! Can we center it? Border! Yes, the border radius! I forgot about that one. Can I make the border color? Yeah! Okay, this AI is pretty nice. Okay, we need to make the border radius a bit bigger. Let's do that. Yeah, 40 pixels. Yeah. Isn't this beautiful? I'm so proud of myself right now. What language is this? That one is CSS. Border thickness. Ah, yeah, it could be. Border width. I think it might be width. Let's check. Because that was just, I think, the rounding of the rounding of the corners, wasn't it? It doesn't look bad. I don't think it looks bad either. This is all fun and games. Until your customer says, but in the design, the button is 1 pixel to the left. Oh my god, do they do that? Do they really do that? I love this. It doesn't look bad. I don't think so either. Professional web dev, absolutely. And then there should be several border styles. Oh yeah, probably that could make sense. Okay, let's maybe put, I don't know, 5. 5 could be nice. 5 could be. I want it a bit thicker. Yeah. Okay, let's try border style. Okay, what do we have? Border radius, bottom, style. Yeah, style. What options? Can I see the options? Maybe something like... Do they have dotted? Yeah. Yeah, they have dotted. Let's try. Yes, it... Isn't it beautiful, Dad? Isn't... She will get there in time. Flexbox, what are you talking about? What are you talking about behind my back? Is there a coding category? I think there might be. I re-experienced my first coding class in school here. I feel I'm very happy right now. Suggestions should open with space. Let me try. 1 second. Not that. Ah, yeah, they do. Okay, I see. Flexbox is something. Should I just... I mean, sometimes... No. Okay, it's not working like this. Software and game dev. I wouldn't call this software and game dev, but it is certainly something. Oh my goodness! Can we change other colors? Oh my goodness! I want to make other colors. Let's make it really dark. Yeah, and let's not make it yellow, because what I normally see in like physics departments is blue. So in physics departments they normally use combo. To be honest, they use like a mixture between these colors. Yeah. This is what a physics department would do. Definitely. This is definitely what a physics department would do. Hi, Naro. You could try font family code 128. It will be barely... Yeah, exactly. That's the thing. Code... Should I be scared? Oh, goodness gracious. Doesn't work. Maybe if I put it into a parent... Yeah. Maybe if I... make it a string. Hello? Can we make this a string, please? Oh, we can make it in... Oh, yes. This looks too professional. I don't know if this is what you wanted, Chad. This looks like a professional did it. And I'm not... Oh, no! And I don't know if you wanted that. Never make something completely black. Why not name this? Why not? Isn't it fun? This design no programs are written yet. Libre barcode. Oh my goodness. Maybe you have to import those ones. I'm not sure actually. Yeah, could be that they're not included in like the package or something. Maybe this website only. I'm not sure what it's not working. Maybe I did something wrong then. Which just a fallback if the first one is not available. Ah, that makes sense. Okay, if we don't want to make it black, we can make it like almost black, I guess. Box sizing, okay. Box sizing. And then border box. Let's see what that does. Ah. But I'm not feeling the dotted, to be honest. Can we make it like a double? Let's see. Yes. This is better. Yes, definitely. Starting to look like a bona fide Web 1.0 design. Beautiful. I mean... Let me think about something. Let me think. Should be a Google font that creates barcodes but doesn't work. Dang it. Why should we turn this into a plugin for your stream with the channel point redeem? Someone knows how to do that. That's actually what I was thinking about. That's actually what my end goal is for all of this. Not with this design, obviously, but my end goal for all of this is I created this JavaScript and put a lot of like jokes in here and kind of make it a stream overlay that can pop up for channel points. But that's still a long way to go. I don't know if I will ever achieve that, but that was my, end goal. Google Fonts must be imported. Is it just the same as in Python? So just import Google Fonts? Or where do I have to import it? I don't think that's how it works. No, not like in Python. Oh dear God. What am I seeing? You're seeing, you're witnessing a website coded in 2004. Probably. Yeah. My private plan is to get an AI VTuber up and running, later turn the AI into something else. Oh my goodness, you will. Do you have to do it before the HTML? Style. Pog. And then we just import the family we want, right? Oh, we just need the link, I see. Well, which one did you want? Was it coding 128? Google. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Daddy D. Okay. Let me just try that. Okay. And then we just use... That's the Libra barcode one. Okay. Still not working. Maybe I did something wrong with importing it. Do I have to close it? Yes? Okay. Okay, let's try again. Nah, still not working. In the HTML... Oh. The import has a red underline. Do I have to import it? Oh, do I have to import it in the HTML file? But that could make sense. There? Where do I import it? Do I import it in the body? Just remove the style. Oh. Okay, that would make more sense. Yes. Second. Let's see. Still having some... We're missing this one. Okay, the rel. This one. Something is wrong here, but I don't know what it is. Yeah, that one. It's too much in CSS, okay. It's not, it's CSS. But it's still, but it's probably because of the AI. Okay, is it working now? Yeah! Hi, Bernie. I'm learning so much. much, chat. Thank you. That's how you import styles. Nice. Okay. Right, I can't read. That's a bit bold. Maybe can we make like a 12? But that's just a font size. Yeah, that's just a font size. So, oh, okay, that's a bit small. How about we make it very big? Okay, let me check. Font weight is the boldness. Thank you. Hi, by the way, Merlin. But I don't want to make it bold. So, normal? I guess? Yeah! It's working! Thank you. Hi, Offita. Thank you. I am learning so much stuff. Semi-bold light, extra light. Ooh, what does extra light look like? Extra. Ooh. Huh? Or just light? What does light look like? Lighter? I think I guess normal is better. In that case. I did not want the stream to develop into this, but I guess that's what we're doing right now. Like 500 or 600. Let me check how much that affects it. Let me check. Thank you, by the way. Okay, 600 is pretty bold, so 100 would be pretty light then, I guess. Yeah. What does, like, I don't know, 10 look like? Okay, it doesn't change anymore after that. At least not very noticeable. Probably due to the font size, though. So let's make the font size, I don't know, like an 80? Yeah, that looks nice. It's so perfect, isn't it? Perfect. It's working. Oh, God. Oh, my goodness. Is that, like, could you actually scan that barcode and get what I wrote? That would be wild. Yeah, who's got a barcode scanner? Who's got a barcode scanner? That one is very insulting. What do you mean that's insulting? It's not insulting. Develop the stream, yeah. Hi, Holodrin. They're normally in the hundreds. Oh, that would make sense. Yeah, that does make sense. Now make it white and we have a real barcode. The barcode? Okay. Like this? You want to try? That's how it works. That's so cool. That is so... I'm so... Like I said, I've never coded anything in JavaScript or CSS. HTML has been a while. 8th grade. That's 7th grade, not even 8th grade. I only did Python for my master's stuff. And only like basic Python, no. There are online barcode readers you can upload images to. Can I read it if I just use a screenshot? Can I still read that? Python is cool. I mean, after like I had to learn Python for one of my modules in my master's, like the basics of Python, not like Python, but like the basics. They were pretty easy to achieve, at least what we needed for that module. And then I used Python to make, oh gosh, I don't even know where it is. Let me check where it is.
You came back?
Thank you.
Noxor 2806 has been trapped for 12 months.
It's
good
so
evening,
good to
Runya,
see
hi,
you.
Runya, hi,
Thank you
Runya,
so
hi.
much. Thank you so much for 1 year already. Thank you so much. I've only used online tools for QR codes before, but screenshots work for me. Okay. I mean, could you turn it into a QR code is the better question. How does turning it into a QR code actually work? My English is not Englishing today. I'm so annoyed at that. Hi, Panda. How are you? Panda, We're... Oh, 1 second! I need to post a link. Alexa, stop! Sorry. Look at what I did. Isn't that amazing? Or really interesting? Yeah! I never actually thought about how they actually worked. What does it do? Wait, let me change the... Let me change it to, I don't know. It is... It's a generator for random science jokes. Yeah. That's what I did with my day today, and I just figured out how the basics, like the basics, only the very, very rough basics of CSS work. So that's something. I've never coded anything in JavaScript or CSS, so yay, we're learning. Okay, hi, hey, Cinder. There's a new Cinder drop, really. Oh my goodness. By the way, I just have to post something on Twitter real quick. That's what the alarm was for. Let me just post the link. Where is it? Where do I have the link? Why didn't I copy it anywhere? Should be this one. Yeah, it's this one. Perfect. Sorry. Okay, I got it. Perfect. Yes. Sorry. Today is a very weird day. I am sorry if I'm kind of, you know, a bit out there today. It's so cool, Runya. I mean, it is CSS. I hate it, but it's nice when you have fun. I do have a lot of fun right now. I mean, look at these. I'm kind of proud of myself that I actually was able to achieve something like this. I mean, yes, of course, it's not hard. I know, but I'm still proud. I only followed the tutorial, but I'm still proud. Ooh, maybe we should watch that one day. I watched the Runya biology video. It was very nice. I hope you liked the video. I talked a lot about ducks. Ducks are very cool. Oh, that is so cool, Nameless. Hi, Takadoza. No, she has the power of programmer humor and chemistry humor on her side. She's too powerful. What do you mean? To turn it into a QR code, you could get the code text that the barcode contains and use a tool that generates QR codes. Let me Google that real quick. Did you have to write all the jokes in there? Yeah, I did write all of the jokes in there. I have them in German. First of all, I kind of want to change that. I've got them in English right there and in German. So if I change it into function, I can change between German and English. But for that, I have to change it in a function. Maybe I should include another button. And when you click the button... Oh, I could use another button to change the languages. Wouldn't that be fun? Oh, I should do that. Oh, that would be so fun. If I saw something I probably want to buy for Dokumi merch. It's pre-order and pick up at booth. Oh, I think I know what you're talking about. In terms of coding, there's always a start and beginning. No one expects super hard. That would be so fun. I just need to think about how to do that. Because first of all, I would need to include another button, don't I? Does it need to be another button class? Change language. And we're just gonna Yeah, first of all that. Oh, just gonna say Ian. But it has to change between Ian and German, doesn't it? Dang it. No, what is it doing? What are you doing? Tool. At this pace you'll get addicted to coding? I don't think so. That would be really nice, yeah. You could implement a randomizer selecting also in the language randomly. That would also be fun. Do you? I mean, the only one I saw today was techie. If you want to switch between languages, I suggest changing the data structure the texts are saved in. Yeah. Sorry. Oh no. Need to change the text of the button after clicking, so it switches between the E and EN. Yeah, that would... and nothing will happen if I click EN. Select ID language, option value DE German, option value EN English. Is it in JavaScript then? Because it doesn't look like... I am so dumb, quack.
N4 MLSP4 ND4 just yeeted X 100 bits. You wrote click and wrong kappa.
I didn't write it wrong. No, nameless. Thank you for the 100. The select thing is probably better. Can you just use that in HTML, or do you have to use it somewhere else? Language should give you the user's language. But then I would have to use a tool that translates my jokes into the specific language. And the thing is, some jokes don't work in German and some don't work in English. Was in HTML. Okay. Do you have to erase the button? No, wait a second. Select ID equals language option. Do you have to put it behind the button before the button closes? Like this? Gosh, that looks so weird. Oh no! Oh, I see what it's doing. Oh my, that's something. I don't know how to center something yet, but it's probably something like maybe like text, align, and then center. I mean, it says it's centered. Apparently, I did the text align center. Align content. Oh, okay. Okay. It still doesn't change anything. On the I did it on the button. It's in the button. Yeah, that's why I'm kind of confused as well. Let me just delete that though. I love this little teeny tiny button. I mean, look at it. Isn't it adorable? Oh my goodness gracious. But let us just maybe do another one of these. So it doesn't look... Oh, okay. Let's see. Did I break something? Oh no. Did I break it? Did I break it? Did I break it? Oh no. You don't need the... I don't need to close it? Oh no. Oh, okay. Okay. I don't need to close it. Okay, it's working again. Thought I would need to close it. But if I don't need to close it, that's pretty nice. Less text. Oh, they are auto-closing. Oh, that's pretty nice. It's self-closing. Okay. We put random funny pictures in there like Buna Ronja. No! Hi, Dine. It's good to see you. Centering content in CSS is too hard. That's what Flexbox are handy for. But it needs a bit of work. See? So it's not my fault, okay? It's not my fault, okay? It's not my fault. Okay. Can we... Okay. And then we would need to write something that switches between the two arrays of... Then we would need something that switches the display function between the two arrays, between the... So I would need to write a function that switches upon the button clicking. Right? So... Okay, let me just... But I could use the display function, I think. Let me think about it. I think I could use the display function. But I would have to... Could I? Or could I just... I know. I would need to feed what language it is into the display function so that upon button clicking, can't even talk. Upon a button click, the display function is calling for the right array. So I can just call this array technically. And I would need to feed the information which array it should choose from into the display function before clicking. Right? Does that make sense? Am I making sense, Chad? There's a ducky, no way! How about small no pictures. No pictures. Hi Mars, read the language on every click. If else, block inside your display function. Wait. So something like if this button is German, we would call the random joke from the array jokes, and if this button is English, we would call the random joke from array jokes en, right? Something like that. For the jeans unzipping joke, we could also show this emote. Hey! Okay, we could. Yeah, we could. We definitely could. For switch cases. Let me check. Okay. I just need to understand the codes first. Document query selector language to get the element with dot value. Get the value. But that's in JavaScript, right? And then we would need to work with an if function. Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry. Yeah, so I would need to put this part, the document query. But I would need to put it probably before the functions in general, after the constants. At the start of the display or random joke function. But then I would also have to assign the value to the constants with the arrays, right? Then the constants would also need to be assigned the value if it's English or German. Right? Oh, dang it. The music is pretty epic right now. What is he coding? Dumb stuff. Very dumb stuff. You choose the list of jokes depending on the language and then select a joke from that list. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. That's what I would do too. I was thinking, okay, let me just write that down 1 second. Let me just write that down. I was thinking about first you need to what do you call a boomerang that won't come back? I don't know. First you choose the language. And depending on I can't write anymore. I know. Okay, first Ger or English, and then you would have to second you then depending on that it chooses the array and then it just calls back for that. You can make a function which gets the language text and then with a switch you can turn the correct array. I don't know if you know switch already. No, I have not done a switch yet. A stick? Can't write to a boomer. Oh, that is the answer. Oh yeah, it does make sense. If you write it in English, the AI will probably suggest a code. I mean, for a switch. Okay, let me just use the bathroom real quick, and then we're gonna get back on that one. Nice one. A boomerang? What do you mean a boomerang? It's kind of funny how all we people here have different ways we would do it, and all are saying, oh yeah, do it like this, and she's just home. I didn't expect us to turn into anything like this. I just wanted to show you that I did dumb stuff today, okay? That's all I did today. All I did today was this. I didn't really do anything else. Like... Insane content. Wow. Always helps with coding problems. I'm just gonna use the bathroom real quick. I did drink way too much today. But that's okay. Hydration is important. Right, Ted? Right. Okay. Don't do anything stupid while I'm gone, okay? Don't. I see that. From the toilet. Yeah, definitely. And I can't speak English today. I don't know. I spoke way too... I didn't speak at all today, except for like 10 minutes to one of my siblings. With one of my siblings. And I think that might be the problem, because they just didn't talk. And now I don't even know how to talk anymore. Should talk more. Maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. At least Ronja doesn't need a rubber duck. Oh, come on! What do you mean? I have rubber ducks, by the way. I'm just letting you know I have rubber ducks. You can make an array inside an object. Then it's just my text E or my text EN. And then a switch is needed. You mean stupid, like code a hilarious website that looks atrocious? Yes, it does look atrocious. It's just like that. Coding never just has one solution, which is really nice. I really like that about coding. But I'm very bad at mathematics. Don't know what that is. Keep it that way. A rubber duck? I know what a rubber duck is. You talk to a duck when you have coding problems. Something like that. Yeah, debugging. Exactly. Hi, Tilran, and hi, Crazy. I'm not a software rubber ducky. Yeah. Rubber ducks are like Ronja would call... Those are not my... No! Okay, I'm just gonna use the bathroom. Don't do anything stupid, okay? Don't. Waiting for you. I've been waiting for you, my dear. I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting all all day long. Waiting, waiting, waiting for you. I've been waiting, waiting for you, my dear. I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for you. I've been waiting, waiting all day long. Waiting, waiting, waiting for you. I've been waiting, waiting for you, my dear. I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for you. I've been waiting, waiting all day long. Waiting, waiting, waiting for you. I've been waiting, waiting for you, my dear. I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for you. I've been waiting, waiting all day long. Waiting, waiting, waiting for you. I've been waiting, waiting for you, my dear. I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for you. I've been waiting, waiting all day long. Waiting, waiting, waiting for you. I've been waiting, waiting for you, my dear. I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for you. I've been waiting, waiting all day long. Waiting, waiting, waiting for you. I've been waiting, waiting for you, my dear. I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for you. I've been waiting, waiting all day long. Waiting, waiting, waiting for you. I've been waiting, waiting for you, my dear. I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for you. I've been waiting, waiting all day long. Waiting, waiting, waiting for you. I've been waiting, waiting for you, my dear. I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for you. Hi, let me just stand up a little bit. My stomach is giving me issues again, and I think standing will help it a little bit. Hi, it's so good to see you all. Thank you for the welcome back. Hi, hi, Thomas. It's good to see you as well. I am so annoyed. These past few freaking days, my stomach has been giving me issues so much. By the way, I got Capri Sun. They have a Capri Sun. They don't just have the Capri Sun Zero from multivitamin. They only had like the multivitamin one so far, at least as far as I'm concerned. But now they've got the Monster one, and I'm so excited because I love the Monster one so much. And I've got my Capri Sun Zero, and I might have drunk like 5 of them already today, but I love Capri Sun, okay? I'm not a duck, okay? I'm not. By the way, I saw the Cinder ducky. It's so beautiful. I love it so much. I love mathematical approaches the most. They're most likely the most efficient way to problem solve. I love the my favorite one is the fairy one, actually. Monster Bad Apple recently. It's Monster Alarm in German. It's Monster Alarm. I think it's with apples. Yes. Click Draws artworks are just top notch every time. You haven't had Capri Sun in 3 years? You need to have the fairy one. I love the fairy one so much. By the way, I just noticed that we've already been streaming for 1.5 hours, and I only did that. Like I only did this. Any chance I can see the button CSS style again? This is the button CSS style. Una's Google form is filled out. Ooh, I'm so excited. I am so excited. I hope that the campaign will be fulfilled, you know. she just needs enough orders for it to be actually, like, she's basically hands off with it, except for her design, but I'm still excited. 1.5. Yeah, it's crazy. What do you mean? That's already really good. I'm just... Why is it clicking on? Oh, it's working. I should have just... And I need to collect more jokes in general. We need to collect more jokes, but I thought like 3 were perfect for just testing it out, you know? $20 to the side because of the darkie. Oh, I mean, I really want to get a darkie too at some point. Like, not from someone else, but like... The thing is, I love darkies and I love darkie artworks, and I think Buna would love to have a darkie artwork too, to be freaking honest. But there's weird people out there that use darkies for not cool stuff, and that's the thing Buna is afraid about. Even though these past few days I've just been thinking, freak them, just have an artwork you enjoy and most of the community enjoys. But yeah, to have like, I just heard from other streamers what some people do with their darkies, and it's not so cool, you know. No padding from what I can see, so no alignment. Let me see. I can try. Padding 5 pixels. No, it didn't change anything. Do you have plans to pursue your doctorate? No, I'm not gonna just pursue a doctorate because that's actually something I told my mom. My mom really wants me to pursue a doctorate, and I just told her I can't focus on just one subject for 3 or 5 years. I will not be able to. That's just not who I am. With my ADHD diagnosis, that actually makes does kind of make sense a little bit. And actually, because of my ADHD diagnosis, my mom kind of accepted that now, I think. Because I did talk to her. Like, I told her so many times, hey mom, I'm not gonna pursue a doctorate. It's just not for me. And my mom was like, yeah, maybe in some years you're gonna do that. And I'm like, yeah, I never know, obviously, but I don't see myself there. And after I got my ADHD diagnosis, she was like, oh yeah, a doctorate is probably not the right path for you. So she's accepting of it now, because I've got my ADHD diagnosis. It's fun, right? I pre-ordered the pin too. Oh, thank you so much. Wie nennt man Biologen? Leichtabbauer. Or what does a biologist do in a prison? He counts cells. I'm not a duck. Want a direction what to learn next for the joke button? Yes. To the board. Thanks anyways. No worries, hello drin. Not so cool. Doesn't understand a statement, Sally. Yeah. Well, guess who's gonna make themselves a sub now? I already have my gamer subs with me. I've got my dragon fruit punch. Yeah. Can use my code Quaos if you wanna get some new cinema merch. Just saying. How useful would a PhD even be? Probably not useful. I did talk to someone else who did his master's with me. And he's doing a PhD now, even though he didn't want to at first, because he just couldn't find a job. But the thing is, I don't want to go into academia. I really want to go into more science journalism. So PhD wouldn't be that useful, actually. He counts cells. Wow. Yeah. No, Quaos. Don't tempt me even more. You get 10% off with my code. And I get money from it. Just saying. Just. Oh, come on, Aero. One second. Quack. I'm not a duck. Still saying. Still on that one. I'm not a duck. Okay. I mean, I could technically also do Okay, let me try something. I don't know if it's gonna work. Let me just try this. I don't know if it's gonna work. Let me just try something. Oh, it's actually... Oh my goodness. This AI? Wait a damn minute. Did this AI just... But that actually looks correct, doesn't it? Let language equals document dot get elements by ID language dot value if language equals de return array jokes and if else yeah that seems correct, doesn't it? We do not see it fully. Should I make it bigger? Oh, I see. But it does seem correct, doesn't it? Should I join the dark side? Don't. Hi, Leonis. Oh my goodness, that is so crazy. Congratulations, Leonis. Congratulations. Can you make it even shorter? Yen, my English text. DE, my German text. Then you can use my text DE or my text CN and just play function instead of DE. Wait. It's moving. I'm not a duck. I'm still not a duck. Yeah, that's it. Good job, AI. Okay. EN, my English text. Oh, so you mean something like, oh gosh. No. This one. This one. But then I would still need to have the yeah, I see what you mean. Let me try it like this first. 1 second. Oh, maybe I should copy this one though. It's undefined now. Okay. Because I still have to feed this information. I would still have to feed this info. Oh gosh. I need to feed this information, the language information, into the display function so that it knows where to pick the jokes from. Rarely showing her wings, but I am showing my wings, yes. Hi Nico, it's good to see you. Yeah, my wallet is also not very happy with me. No, Fluffy, no. Okay, let me think about it 1 second. Let me think about it. I can't. Oh, thank you very much for the gamer support. Let me think about it. I can get this. Okay, so I've got my function that picks a random joke. Yeah, I've got my function that calls for the language and returns the corresponding array. So I would just need to run the oh, wait. I just need to run the function, right? Do I not just need to... No. You're typing where we can't see... Wait, sorry. There was a Jackie buyer. I do understand that, definitely. Runs on a client's PC, so every information you as a user can see will be accessible for your code. Yes. I'm trying. Oh god. That doesn't work right. Because it can't... constant? Okay, where's the problem? Yeah, it's the language one. You need to call it like constant array. Constant array equals language. But I just need to call it within the display function, right? And then it should technically work. No. Okay, it doesn't work. Identify array has already been declared. Huh? Wait, what? Can I just... sit down? Is this something you don't do? Okay, I mean... I don't know if this is something you don't do, but I'll just try. It's working! That's fine too. Oh my goodness. It's working. Oh my goodness. That's so cool. Both are fine. Okay. Who needs variables? Oh my goodness. That's so cool. Okay, okay. Let's change the button though. Can we, how do we change the button? Let me, okay, HTML. Can I change this button? How can I change this button? Can I, by the way, it's, okay. Let me just, first of all, let me just put that somewhere else. Variables are overused. We can't see. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. Oh, right. Oh, sorry, you can't see. Right. Let me tell you about Dax is hilarious. I'm not a Doug. Okay, so this is in German. I know. This I can just change that to something like this, maybe. So this is German, and then when I switch it to English, it gives me the English ones, and then when I switch it to German, it gives me the German ones. I'm so proud right now. Oh goodness. I mean, I didn't do anything, but whatever. Now you just need to learn to comment your stuff. Yeah, maybe I should do that. Yeah. Did you already know that Ronja is one of them? No, I'm not. I'm definitely not. She's really trying to explain it. I'm trying, yeah. We do have a very happy... I am not a duck. Still not a duck. Still a fallen angel. I just need to figure out how to change this button in CSS. How do I call upon this button? The language ID, option value DE. Oh, it's just select ID, isn't it? It's language? Yeah. Select. And then, let's see, can I make it bigger? Oh my goodness, it's telling me stuff. How about height, something like, I don't know, 30 pixels? And with something like, yeah, 200 does seem about right. Yes! Okay, it's working. But that's nice. It's working. Cool. That's cool. That's very cool. That's very nice. I just need to figure out how to make a Twitch plugin out of this. We're gonna figure it out. Eventually, we're gonna figure it out. I still don't know how the duck thing started. Language identifies the HTML tag via the value of ID. Okay. Still typing where you can't see, sorry. I just did it with select. integrate into OBS. Yeah, just integrate it as an overlay into OBS and use channel point redeems to display the jokes on screen. I mean, yes, we have a button right now. That's basically just for the lulz. Because it's a button. I like pressing buttons. But the end goal was technically to... I just wanted to, first of all, figure out how to make a function or anything that calls upon a random joke. And then it would be nice to figure out how to put it into an overlay that can be triggered by channel point redeems. That would be cool. But I think that's pretty, like Twitch plugins is a bit harder, isn't it? That would be... I think it's pretty hard to actually do like a plugin for Twitch, isn't it? I thought so. Put it into a box like the other ones. I mean, I could technically just copy this, can't I? Let's see. Oh no! This is... Oh gosh! This is atrocious. Hi Jason, I'm not cute. I am absolutely not cute. No, never. I would never be cute. Never ever. Stream Elements plugin would be the easiest. Yeah, exactly. That was what I was thinking. A plugin for Stream Elements, but that still has to be connected to the channel points, doesn't it? But you could probably put that into the code. Because, I mean, Stream Elements can also be triggered via subscriptions and stuff. So it should be easiest to put it as a plugin into Stream Elements, yeah. That does make sense. Very nice. It's so beautiful. My eye is somewhat hurt. I'm sorry. It's fun. It's very fun, yes. I use padding inside the bottom one. Wait, see? It has padding. There are different options for this, but I suggest using comments sparingly. There's a good number of situations where comments are useful, especially to give additional context. But if you can make clear what the code does by naming your functions variables, etc., well, clearly, I'd do that instead. Yeah, I also... The thing is, I pretty easily forget to add comments to my code. Which was pretty dumb when I had my module where I had to code. That was pretty not smart. Yeah, because I kind of forgot what I did. But in the end, I still got good grades, I guess. I'm not cute, no. I'm not cute, definitely not. Hair wings, time to do... Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Isn't padding moving it down? I mean... We can check. Oh yeah, it's moving it down. So maybe -5? Is that possible? Can you do minus? Oh yes, you can. Oh. Wait a second. Oh no, you can't. Oh, it's just using 0, I guess. Just don't comment at all. Meta science jokes and anatomy jokes, they're deep inside. Oh no, it's in German. Dang it. There it is. It will take time to find out what comments will be useful in the future. I wrote a lot in the beginning, which were not helpful. Yeah. You can specify padding bottom too. Something like this, maybe? No. Okay, it doesn't change anything right now. No, Fluffy. No. Don't worry. No. I want to touch the wings. Don't touch my wings. Padding top, padding bottom left without the comma. There is no comma. There is only the semicolon. Oh no. Sorry. I did understand what you. Sorry. I got it now. I'm sorry. Okay, let's check. It's in the same position as it was in the beginning. Without the text. Oh, just padding? Oh, okay. I move the height so the button becomes as tall as they need to with the given text size and padding. So, oh wait, I think they they showed that in this video. 1 second.
Advanced topic. Or
Didn't they? Oh no, that was another video I watched. 1 second. I think they showed it in this video.
At least printers.
Window. No, that is window width. Dang it. Button width? Would you call it button width? Okay. Yeah, I got it, Ayu. You have a fixed height? Yes, I do. Oh, that looks nice. Wait, does that work for that one as well? Oh. I think we just found the problem. Well, look, it's centered now. Ooh, 420 is also a pretty good call, actually. 420 is a pretty... Let's see. That's how coding works. You search, you don't find, and then in the end, you just find it by random. We found the problem now. Oh no, it's German again. Dang it. There it is. There it is. It's working. Gosh, I'm so happy. Oh my goodness. What's going on? Oh, my family chat is going brrr right now. I see. Pippo German. Yeah, Pippo German. That was very German right now. Chat, I need to make myself a hot water bottle. My stomach is giving me ugh. Is it similar to the anime where you touch the... No! It's not Dine. CSS feels like trying out a lot. It's fun. I'm just making myself a hot water bottle real quick. I really like your wings. I do like my wings as well. That's something I really love. And I'm really excited for the second outfit. It's gonna have very nice wings. If you want the bottom and drop down to have the exact same style, I'd also suggest doing button select. Like this. Ah, yeah, perfect. Instead of sliding twice, that does make a lot of sense. Oh, that was not the video I watched in the other video. In that one, he also showed a lot of the one I used to build the random. It's a random phrase generator. He also did this. I wanted to look into this a little bit more, but it was quite fun to just try stuff out. It was really, really fun. Okay, let me just get a hot water bottle real quick. Cause yeah, stomach is ugh. 1 second. I'm gonna be back in 2 seconds. Just making a hot water bottle. Waiting for you. I've been waiting for you, my dear. I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting all day long. Waiting for you. I've been waiting for you, my dear. I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting all day long. Waiting for you. I've been waiting for you, my dear. I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting all day long. Waiting for you. I've been waiting. Okay, I'm back again. Hi. That's the best way to learn programming, just trying out different stuff. It's so fun. I mean, I didn't really... I wanted to get back into coding. By the way, I've got something for my throat. So if you hear something, hear me having a bonbon in my mouth. It's curious. What do you even pronounce it? How do you pronounce it? 1 second. Like a hard candy. Yeah, I've got a hard candy. Like, yeah, a candy. Yeah, I just have a small candy in my mouth because a drop. It's more.
Drop.
Yeah, it's a drop. It's more like a drop, I guess. Because just because of my throat. So if you hear that, I'm sorry about that. I'm very happy we're using a theme for our fronted. I don't have to do anything with CSS. I mean, it's interesting to just get into it. Because, like I said, I had quite a lot of fun with Python, but I didn't really have anything to use it on. And I just got this idea, I think, like yesterday while I was watching Solo Leveling. Ooh, by the way, in general, I watched Solo Leveling. I watched till episode 19, and I'm just gonna probably stop till the last episode is out, because I hate cliffhangers, and I just don't want to get a cliffhanger right inside the season finale. So yeah, I'm just gonna pause till every episode is out. I think I'm on episode 20 now, and it's so good. I love it so much. I love it so much. And while I'm waiting for the season finale, the final of the second season of Solo Leveling, I'm probably gonna watch Dun Dun Dun. I just love saying it, Dun Dun Dun. It's so cool. Dun Dun Dun, Dun Dun Dun, Dun Dun Dun. You did it with the margins, okay. And then text align in center and not align the content center. Okay, I see. Just say I hate waiting. I do hate waiting. Yes, I do hate it. Cliffhanger, Solo Leveling. Man, the manhwa was brutal with those. I think they're always brutal with them. In almost every freaking... it's still in German. In almost every freaking... manga or manhwa I've read, they're pretty brutal with their cliffhangers. It's the final countdown. Diddly-doo, diddly-doo-dee, diddly-oo. Hi, Valyef. It's good to see you. Yeah, the manhwa was brutal with cliffhangers. Yeah. I read the thing, so no anime for me. It's really good. The anime is really, really good. I didn't read the manhwas, at least not yet. And I do enjoy the anime so much. I've been enjoying it a lot. It's really good. A really useful keyword. Just using auto. Okay, I see. Cliffhangers beat me up bad. I can imagine. I think cliffhangers in like more action-loaded mangas are pretty common. Or manhwas. Depends on which one. I mean, we could... What happens if we do this? Let me just check something. Oh. And if we just delete this? Okay, it just looks the same. Okay. So we can technically leave out the aligned content at least for this one. Yeah. If you think solo leveling has bad cliffhangers, be afraid of Shangri-La Frontier, down mother of all cliffhangers at the end of season 2 and season 3. Oh no, what is it about? Some of the cliffhangers in the anime are also kind of brutal, and then I remember I read the manhwa. But I really love solo leveling right now. I just enjoy it like a lot. Sometimes more like for values, you use the units like pixel. Wait, where do I use the pixels? It's great, yeah, but what is it about? Margin auto would make them centered, I think. I mean, you can look. Okay. Sorry. It didn't change anything, at least not right now. It's about VR gaming. Another tip, you can also open DevTools with F12 or right, click, inspect, and test changes immediately without having to reload. Oh! It says DevTools right there. 1 second. Let me just... Not that it... I don't know if it's gonna expose anything like, you know, any... locations or stuff, because sometimes, yeah, margin auto can be tricky to get working. Using display flags should always work. Okay, the text align center is needed too. I mean, can... Okay, sorry. I'm just gonna reload. Ah, yeah, it worked. Wait, it worked. By the way, I still want to make these smaller, I guess. Where do I have the headers? I've got them there. Let's make them 42. Let's make them 42. 42 pixels. Yeah. Yeah, now it's centered. Now both of them are centered. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Hi Trippets, have a fun Dirkwanda. Auto is most useful for things where the values have units. Ah, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. It's why I had it in 3 lines: margin auto, text align, and padding. That stuff used to trigger me a lot, but I have not used CSS or HTML in like 8 years. Like I said, the last time I used, I mean, we actually had to program, let's put it in big parentheses right here. We had to use HTML to program in 7th grade, and we actually, like, we had to basically make sites like this, not with clickable buttons, but we had to do all of this, all of this in HTML. It was horrible. But I still got like an A on this. But it was horrible. It was still horrible. I hated it. But in general, I loved informatics class. That's why I had it in... Yeah. What is the helicase to begin with? It's what unzips your genes. So if you're into... Okay, so you've got DNA translation and... Translation und transcription. Sorry, transcription. Amy, thank you. Oh my goodness, I love Dino Nuggies too. Thank you so much for the follow. Hi, I hope you have a lot of fun with the follow emotes. You have transcription and translation, and for the DNA to be translated, you first have to remove the what are they called in English? The freaking hell. Hydrogen bonds? Yeah, the hydrogen bonds. Sorry. The hydrogen. You have to remove the hydrogen bonds between the bases and have to uncurl the DNA so that the mRNA can pair with the DNA so that you can translate the DNA into RNA for protein production. And the helicase is the thing that just, Bonds. Bonds! I said bonds. Didn't I? Did I say bombs? So it's like the zip for genes. Like literally, yeah, kinda. HTML and CSS go hand in hand, but only since like HTML4. Before that, everything was arranged in HTML. Man, that's like, yeah, and that's how we learned HTML. Should be something like parent display flags justify content center on the parent element of the button, the element that contains them. So the body, right? The body contains the element, so it would be let me try that. We're still missing this one. And if I just use these, just delete them. Gosh, the flashbang. Do I have to exchange the parent? Without the parent? Okay. Sorry for the flashbangs. Wait, it also said I could just use Alt R. Oh, now oh, well, Huh. That's also very interesting. You said it correctly. Yeah, I did say it. Bombs up front too. Wait, what? I was messing with you. Okay. No, hey, no. Not to be coding anymore. I never fully wrapped my brain around it. I mean, it's but can we still use that in the... Can we still use the same thing not in the parent? But... Okay. Wait, does it say Alt R is working if it's not working as a refresh? What do you... Oh, I refreshed the whole page. Oops. Okay, that one doesn't work. Dang it. You're cute enough to heal the flashbangs back up. I'm sorry, click German. That puts everything in a row. Is there still another way to do it though? And then we had margin auto and text. Was it text align center? Was it this? Yes! I remembered. Nice. For using flags, you should wrap every element you want to center in a div container, and the container will be defined as display flags. What is a div container? What are you trying to do? It was just different methods on centering the buttons. Maybe we should make the... I don't really want to make the buttons smaller, actually. I like them like this. But the Comic Sans is getting boring. Hi, Anton. Oh, those are div containers, okay. So I would need to put these ones in div containers. So the class, the button and the select. I wouldn't put every button in a container. You can use flags and make them display underneath each other. Can give you an example. No worries. Oh guys, what did you do? What are you call? Oh no, what is happening? All three in one div. So also the header. The header as well. Another method to do this. So just center the words. Oh, this is English and this is German apparently. Let's do it with Comic Sans again. I would recommend you looking up what div actually is. Okay, let me look it up. Okay. It doesn't have a huge role in HTML anymore, according to Ionos, because of CSS. I see. At least not in HTML5. But then I would have, if I understood it correctly from what I just read, then I would have to put these ones in a div container. Oh no. What the hell? Dang it. This one. And this one. These. Yeah. Like this. But this is on the wrong. No. It should be like, yeah. Yeah, it's on the same one. Those sounds fit very well. I have no clue what I'm reading. That's what it says. Then you put this into your div containers. Okay, let me try that. Let me just try. Oh my goodness. I'm not even sure what I'm doing right now. But that's okay. It's fine. I'm fine. I'm fine, chat. I'm fine. Does it matter where I put the div display flex direction column align item center? Doesn't matter if I put it into the body. Do I have to put it into the body? Yeah, I have to put it into the body, right? Yeah, right. Okay. I reload it. I know that you can't see it. Oh! Ah! Look at this! Perfect. Super size. Look at it. Center everything on a page. Look at this. Ah, still German, sorry. By the way, I'm sick of the color blue. Let's make it red. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. I've got an idea. Oh no, please don't hate me. Oh gosh, this is gonna be... gorgeous. The dip should be below the body block, not inside of it. I mean, it did still work, but we can try if it changes anything after I put it into... I mean, it did still work at least. Okay, so apparently it doesn't really matter, because it works outside and inside the body block. Oh no, I'm still in the body block. I'm dumb, right? No, I'm not in the body block anymore. Got my closing one there, right? 1 second. Yeah. I mean, it did nestle, but it's fine. And now we can just switch to English. And we got our jokes. Pog. If you want to learn more about display flags, you can use Chrome DevTools, which give you a button to CSS with different positioning options you can play around with. In general, I think it's so cool that you can actually use the DevTools in, for example, Chrome to look at what actually is going on. I think that's really nice. If you want to know what you do with flags, press... it lets you select elements of your HTML. Wait, let me just... I'm always kind of unsure if I'm exposing stuff. Not exposing, but, you know, leaking. I don't know. IPs or something. IPs? Yeah. Maybe I have to tap into the... Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm seeing it. Oh, okay, I'm seeing it. Oh my goodness! I'm actually seeing the stuff I'm doing. Oh, that's so cool. I actually see the code I wrote in the DevTools. Oh my goodness, that's cool. Sorry. That just makes me so happy. Oh my goodness. I see that. Okay. That just makes me happy. Oh my goodness. Can even adjust it there. Oh, that is so cool. Hi, Atto. It's good to see you. If you want to know how to use the DevTools, even outside of work, just if something isn't working, like, I think we'll... Okay, DevTools. Really? I mean, like I said, I'm only a biochemist, I guess. Hi, Atto. Eye-opening moment. It's so cool to see that, like, my stuff is working. It's so cool. I'm really proud of myself. I mean, I didn't do a lot, but I did something. And most of... Okay, you actually taught me most of the stuff I need to do, but still, I did stuff. You should see margins, paddings too. There should be a button on the top left. It's saved. It auto-saves. It's a website. I'm coding on a website. Cause, you know, leaking stuff and, you know, console, sources, memory, record, lighthouse. What is lighthouse? Oh, okay. Elements. Computed layout, event listener. Ooh, there's the event listener. Oh, sorry. I'm seeing stuff. AI assistant. They actually have an AI assistant in DevTools now. What? Dang. The performance analytics. Oh, some websites do need that. And they don't use it. And it's very apparent that they don't use it. There are some websites, I just go on a website and it's like, okay, my PC is crashing and I've got a pretty good PC. I think that's how most programmers learn. Just replace chat with Googling. I mean, I do like it. I do think it's kind of better to replace Googling with chat, because you can actually answer me if I'm just like, I don't understand what you're saying. I've never programmed except for a little bit of Python. And a little bit in 7th grade, but that's quite a long time. That's been quite a long time. If you have no account, I've got an account. Yeah. I've got an account. That's an account. Yeah, very copper in tellurium. I'm not the atom size of hydrogen. No. In fact, there are some. What browser are you using? Chrome, yeah. No, right now this is Chrome. If it would be Opera, I wouldn't be as worried right now. The two constants of sorrows of programmers. Why isn't it working and how is it even working? But actually, I can like as a freaking biochemist, I can relate though, because if you're in science in general, it's just like, oh my goodness, why can't I, for example, why is my PCR not working? And then sometimes you're just like, how? Just I had that so many times happen. That happened so many times during my master's thesis. I was just like, how the freaking hell is it working or not working? Why are there lines? There should be no lines. What the freaking hell is going on right now? So yeah, that was fun. And then sometimes it just worked, even though I did everything the same way. That's science. And then you cry. That's why it's called pipette, cry, repeat, and not PC. Like, that's what PCR stands for. It's not polymerase chain reaction. It's pipette, cry, repeat. I would highly advise to kick Opera GX to begin with. It's pretty nice performance-wise for a stream. It's Chrome. If I have too many Chrome tabs open, it affects my PC a little bit more than the Opera ones. I changed nothing, but now it works. Yeah. It's using the mail I use for can you tell? Like my spam email. You also have spam emails, right? I use my spam email because I was just like, yeah. The keyword of every kind of learn process is how. As long as you're asking the questions, you will learn. Yeah, exactly. It's pretty hard on my RAM sticks? Lamb sauce? Where's the lamb sauce? Are not that different. The button to the left from the element source consoles are the buttons I meant. Rectangular with the mouse cursor. Let me check again. Ooh, they've got experiences as well. Interesting. More tools. Ooh, CSS overview. What is that? Capture overview. Ooh, interesting. Ooh, fun. I'm seeing stuff. This is interesting. Sensors? Layers. Media. Ooh, there's a lot in here. Should look at this a little bit more. Ram it down. To Croco Nut. I am not a Doug. How did I even break this? How did I break it this time? That's what always happens, yeah. There's a nice browser game. It's called Fire Flexbox Froggy. Isn't there a lot of very nice coding games for children to learn coding from? At least I've heard from about a lot of coding games. But I forgot the names. I forgot all the names. Maybe I should play a coding game sometime. I think that could actually be beneficial. Didn't expect to see code today, not gonna lie. I didn't expect to show you codes. Hi Langha, so good to see you. As a programmer, the following is always very funny. This function does nothing, but somehow if I delete it, nothing works. So it has to stay. Quite a few. Yeah, maybe you should do it. But that's, by the way, Langha, that's actually what science is like sometimes. You've got a protocol, and you've used that protocol for like 10 years, and you've always done it the right, like the way that it specifies in the protocol. And if it specifies that you have to turn around 3 times and have to clap your hands 4 times for it to work, you have to do that, because otherwise it will not work. That's how science works sometimes, yeah. Please do me a favor and Google if-Schleife. I think I've already used an if-Schleife. At least in Python. By the way, is it Python? Like the... Is it Python or Python? I'm always confused. What do you mean you doubt it? It's like the Python, okay. I think I already used an... Yeah, I already used if functions. I think I didn't use for ones yet, but if ones I did. It's been a while. Didn't do it in quite some time, but still. The difference between science and IT is science, hey, it works, so how does it work? IT, it works, I don't care why, never touch it again. That's what our IT in science did, yeah. Like Monty, because Monty Python is Monty Python. And the snake is Python. Depends on who you ask, yeah, and that's why I'm always confused if it is Python or Python. Currently, the automatic updates are breaking stuff. Would come on, automatic updates. Ugh. Yeah, an if loop. I think I already used if loops. Yeah, a couple of weeks before, I had a similar day when I wasted 5 hours of my work searching for missing forces in my structural calculation. Was missing around 500 K Newton. That's a lot. A newbie mistake in my input solved it, but that's okay. It happens. There is no if loop. Oh my goodness. I think I remember that one. There's only a for loop, but not and there is a for and a while loop, but no if loop. It's been too long since I had Python. That was one of the questions they always asked, and it was always like, ha, there is no if loop. Ha, funny. Oh goodness. I remember that was one of the trick questions. Now I remember. Yeah. And I fell for it. I did. I did fall for it very hard. Hi, Phantom. I am not a duck, Phantom. I'm definitely not. Like, how to pronounce GIF? Yeah, probably. If it's not a loop, it's a control structure. I'm so proud of this. See, it's working. It's working. I'm proud. Okay, it's working. I did some programming, poggers, and it looks very McDonald-esque. Pog. Can also, I mean, could technically also change. How about we just change this to... Yes. Oh my goodness, that's gonna look so beautiful. Dear God. We did some programming! Look, it's even better now. I'm gonna hydrate, thank you. Oh God. Is that... Yeah, it is. It is, Xef. It is.
You came
Thank
back?
you.
Morpheus has been trapped for 14 months. All for our angel for all.
Thank you. I hope you have a lot of fun with the emotes. Thank you so much. Loving it. Yeah, definitely. Definitely loving it. Hydration. Hydration is very important in modern UI design. Yes, say. She hates me now. But look at it, Aero. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it wonderful? We can also change this to this one again. 1 second. I'll not flashbang you. Dang it! What did I wrote it wrong. Dang it. Sorry. Should I protect? I'm not a duck. I am not a duck. No. No ducks. See? Isn't this beautiful? What do you think? Isn't it beautiful? You're a professional web developer now. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Barcodes. So beautiful. Even if the if loop was kind of me. I mean, at least I remember now. It's like a burger. And now I remember why I'm not a front end or full stack developer. I mean, it's the first time I coded anything in CSS or JavaScript. So I'm proud of myself for achieving anything like that. Okay, to be freaking honest, the syntax is pretty similar to Python and I think R. R also has a similar syntax. Is it R? It's just R, right? So yeah. Hi, Kata. Wait, what are you doing? I tried out some some coding before we started the stream, and I had a little teeny tiny problem, and then this just developed into a stream with figuring out how coding works, I guess. And now I coded something with the help of chat. Hi, Kaita. By the way, there's a website called ifschleife.de. And what is it about? Remember, as long as you do it on your work, it's technically professional. Right, true say. Hi, Medicine, it's so good to see you. You can be proud. I just don't want to have to fiddle with it myself. At least we used R for making a lot of plots for data analysis, actually. That's what we used it for. So, yeah, visualizing data analysis. That's what we used it for, at least. And we didn't have to code in it. I mean, we had some people coding in it, and we just looked at the code and put our values in. So I didn't code in R, but R was pretty similar to Python. I was always full stack developer, but mostly on the technical side. That means not as much of content creation side or UI design. I think this is a beautiful UI design, don't you think so? Do you have 6 ears or 2 ears? I have 2 ears and 4 feathers. The feathers are not considered ears. They're just It's not really hair because I mean technically there are some animals that can move their hair with specific muscles. So maybe could be considered somewhat similar to... for example, a porcupine can also move its little teeny tiny sticks. What are they called? Sticks? I don't even know what they're called in German. Got to go, no worries. I hope you have a fun day. Hi, Walker. It's so good to see you. Hi, my name is... Wait. What is she doing here? Yeah, those are barcodes. But we can make them... I can make it so that you can read it again. Beware of the flashbang. Thorns? Is it thorns? Yeah. Ma, don't look at it. I tried coding in JavaScript today for the first time. Look at it. I coded a random science joke picker. I only have 3 jokes in it, and we can change the language now. We can either have them in German or in English. I learned so much today. It's a hardware problem. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. So beautiful. You think it's cool? I mean, chat helped like a lot. I had this tutorial on random phrase generator in JavaScript, and then I just modified it a little bit, and then we modified it even more so that we could change the language. And then I looked into CSS, and now we have this wonderful looking website. What was the example of porcupine? Yeah, it spikes. Yeah. You made the copy. Yeah, but you did help. Like a lot. So we kind of coded today. I don't... That happened, I guess. I hope you're doing alright. Has it got a good source? Let me just put that into my own Discord server so that I have it for further studies. Not only CSS, by the way. Is it also good for JavaScript? Great stream. Next time we implement it into the stream. I really want to look into how to implement it. I mean, you would have to use stream elements, but then we would also have to kind of grab the channel point redeem. That's the only thing I'm not quite sure how to implement yet. And we would have to make one of the jokes plop up. That's also one important part about my idea. We just did a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and 2 hours and 30 minutes passed. Yeah. You can make a Discord bot. People could ping to get a random science joke. I could. You didn't have to use stream elements. But wouldn't it be easier if I used stream elements? Because then I would have it as an overlay, at least. And in stream elements, you can implement your HTML, your JavaScript, and your CSS. And you can just make a widget. And then we would just have to implement that the widget recognizes if someone uses the channel point redeem. You know? So it's good for all of the languages I tried today. There's quite a lot. Java, Python. Yeah, and C# and C++, I know. You need to handle the API keys yourself. Yeah. Hi, Delta. A little bit of everything all of the time. Bugs, crashes everywhere all of the time. A little bit of everything. Programming is fine. It is totally. I'm fine. I'm absolutely fine. If you get a TTS and an asset for a duck or so, you could let a duck pop up into stream reading a science joke. You really want a duck reading the science joke? Just put him on GitHub. Oh no. Hi Jackson. I hope you have an amazing workday so far. But it would be fun. It would indeed be very funny. Yes, that is true. But first of all, we have to implement it like by itself. That would be very nice. That would be very nice if we can just implement it by like the basic function first of all. No, not me. Did Twitch increase the ads? I don't know. It should not. Technically, you should only get 1 minute and 30 seconds of ads. You have a snake. Yes, I've got Biscuit. He's a snake. He's a very cute snake. I have so many ideas right now. Oh goodness gracious. I'm just really excited that I did something. Not a snake, a snake. This little snake. This is Biscuit. I'm so excited. and oh my goodness, Biscuit is actually gonna get a new position, so you might see him even more. When we had the second outfit debut, you might see him more. I'm so excited. And Mimi might start on the rigging of the second outfit soonish. Soonish TM. Hi Tranquil, it's so good to see you. I'm not adorable, you're freaking adorable. I'm not. I need to use the restroom again. I'm so sorry. If we see him even more, he could read the science jokes. He doesn't have the mouth movement included. Sadly, he isn't rigged for that. Because you have to rig the mouth movements and stuff. There is this plugin, it's called VTS-Pog. Buna uses it. I can actually show you VTS-Pog. I should be able. 1 second. I can get Buna's chat. This is, you can use VTS-Pog. Oh no, not this one. VTS-Pog does connect to VTube Studio, and then it can connect to a model. In this case, it's the chat model. And you can make the chat model say stuff like... Yeah, you can make them say stuff.
Hey Luna, of course chat speaks English too. We are always here to chat, joke around, and have a great time with you. Let's keep the fun going. Feixender Smiley.
That is a very German chat, yeah. Yeah, he's pretty German, actually. Is a German accent, I can't. Let's see.
Oh Luna, was ist denn los mit dem Stoßlüften im Bunker? Chat hofft, dass da keine seltsamen Experimente laufen. Immer schön frische Luft reinlassen, für klare Gedanken und gute Laune im Chat. Feixender Smiley.
So yeah, he speaks German too. Yeah, but that's another plugin. That's another plugin you can use. Yeah, Stoßlüften the Bunker. He doesn't want to Stoßluft the Bunker. I don't know what language he just spoke. I have absolutely no idea. He makes it with telepathy. Oh, that would be fun when if Chad knew, yeah. I love the Feixender Smiley. It's a smugging smiley. Very smug. Okay, I've got to use the restroom again. So Chad is related to Toto after all. I'm not sure. I mean, it would be kind of cool to get the snake to read science jokes. It would be very cool. I love snakes so much. Snakes are so amazing. Okay, I just need to use the restroom. Don't do anything stupid while I'm gone. And I'm also gonna get another a refill on my hot water bottle because it's not hot anymore. And my stomach is still hurting. I hate this. Why is my stomach hurting so much? How to translate Stoßlüften? I don't think there is a good translation for Stoßlüften actually. I don't think so. I don't think there's a translation. It's just lüften. You know? But you've got to say it's written in Python. Yeah! Oh my goodness, you can... Shock ventilation. Push ventilating? Yeah, maybe. Push ventilating. Push the ventilation! Maybe impact ventilation would also be interesting. Yeah. Yeah! Okay, let's see what Deep L will say. Hi, by the way. By the way. Can we please just ignore that my German accent wants to come out? Like, harsh? The freaking hell, can it not, please? Hi, by the way, bekannt alias. Hi. Rapid ventilation. Okay, let's see. Okay, so Deep L says either shock ventilation, impulse ventilation, or impact ventilation. That's at least what Deep L says. And Deep L is pretty good. But I don't think anyone would say, oh, I'm gonna shock ventilate my room now. The more important is how to translate Querlüften or Rindfleischetikettungsüberwachungsaufgabenübertragungsgesetz. But it's pretty easy to translate Rindfleischetikettungsüberwachungsaufgabenübertragungsgesetz because that just means high in German. There isn't an American using ventilation systems. German use Windows. Crazy technology. Yeah. Yeah, Leo is also quite good. Yeah. And there's another one. It's called... oh gosh. Is it Dict? No, it's not Dict. Don't! Fluffy, I know what you want to say. It's just called Dict, like dictionary, like the short form of dictionary. It's not Dict. Hi, Matix and hi, Simon. No, it's not that one. It's one that's pretty good for French, actually. Don't. It's called Dict. I'm sorry. That's what it's called. I'm sorry. I can't. I've heard the US standard European windows are quite magical, but the Kippfenster, that's pretty magical, actually. Okay, I need to use the restroom. 1 second. I'm gonna be back in... I don't know, 2 minutes? I just got here and she's already using the D... I'm sorry. It's the short form of dictionary. I'm sorry. No. It's the short form of dictionary because it's a dictionary, okay? To create yeah, that's also very German. I actually had such a Durchzug today that all of my doors slammed shut. I don't think my neighbors like that, but I don't freaking care. Okay, I'm gonna be back in 2 minutes. Waiting for you. I've been waiting for you, my dear. I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting all day long. Waiting for you. I've been waiting for you, my dear. I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting all day long. Waiting for you. I've been waiting for you, my dear. I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting all day long. Waiting for you. I've been waiting for you, my dear. I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting all day long. Waiting for you. I've been waiting for you, my dear. I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting all day long. Waiting for you. I've been waiting for you, my dear. I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting all day long. That is quite a lot of fire. Oh my goodness. Hi, I'm back. I need to use the restroom. Holy shoot. Thank you so much for the welcome back. So that's quite a lot of fire. What do you mean? Papago? Oh, it's not Papago. It's something else. It's wait a second. Let me just. Oh, there's so many TikToks. Understanding the German tradition of Lüften? You can't tell me that... Do they... Please tell me Americans don't think this is a tradition. Like tradition. Still need a 10-hour remix of the break screen song. You don't know. No, I'm not a wife. No.
Luften? The new German ritual I need to try ASAP?
Wait a second. Let's look at that. They do. Are you sure? Are you sure that's not just like one or two people that said that as a joke? You sure? You sure about that?
Could it really be that simple? Just open the window? That's it? No, I can't. I need the AC. I mean, open the window, fresh air.
Oh, by the way, oh my goodness, I love this one dude who reacts to like German videos. I think it's not this one, but I love just watching videos like this. Because I'm like, Like stuff like this, for
And
example.
hello. Thank you so much for joining me today, especially you, January, as I call you. No, I don't know.
And then you just okay, it's not something like this. Like funniest German memes.
Today we have another
What do they think are German memes? Hi, Tomster.
Meme compilation, and
What is a German
I
meme?
am very
Yeah, Xef, exactly. I actually wanted to ask you if you could do that.
very much ready for this. I love German meme compilations, and this is from.
Do you think they have the Warum liegt hier Stroh one in there?
Jan
The Wednesday
expected
Frog meme,
the number
maybe.
3 of 3 in this series. You could check out the other videos from this
Oh,
series
the
on
alarm
the channel.
one.
And you
Ooh,
can check out Jan
scary.
Expected if you so please.
Is Runja a German
But
meme? No.
let's waste no more time. Los geht's.
That's not his real channel? Wait. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know that. Melon soda. Wait, I know that. Okay, that's Jules. Ooh, was it this dude? No, it was another one. I'm confused. Every person looks the same to me. That's my problem. So many people. I can't distinguish between faces. I just thought I saw like the same guy like 5 times right now, but it's not the same. I'm pretty sure about it. This is his channel, right? Oh, extra.
Hello.
Oh.
And hello.
Yeah, and I just love watching these videos. It's so fun. Have you, what were you developing before? I can show you, wait 1 second. I actually, the thing is, I didn't even know that, the stream kind of just took a turn into some coding. I didn't, anticipate that, to be honest, because I was trying to code something before stream. It's, very beautiful. You're gonna love it. It's, 1 second. It's very, very beautiful. Look at what I coded. It's a random science joke generator. I can change between German and English. Your facial, I'm not facial blind, it just looks similar. I'm still surprised how many people react to German yeah, true! I'm also like, are we entertaining? Every time I hear about German humor, someone says we don't have humor. It developed into a coding stream. Yeah, it developed into a coding stream. First project, in a long while, I did code in Python for a module I had in my master's. And this is the first time I coded in JavaScript and CSS. So yeah, kind of first project, I guess. Every Luna ever is yeah, I did hear that as well. Yeah. They would do it because the content gets them a lot of views from German speakers. We actually, it's so interesting. If you watch content in English and they just even mention the word German, the whole freaking comment section will be German, and you're just like, where did you all come from? We're only like 80 million. Like, compared with English speakers, we're not a lot. I mean, we also have the Austrians and people from Switzerland who also speak German, but still, damn, yeah. It's a national pastime in Germans to check what other countries think of us. I think so too, yeah. Sipping is very important, yeah. We are everywhere, but then there's sometimes they're just like creators. You're like, I for example on TikTok I've got that. I had that happen so many times. There's this every freaking time I watch like a TikTok content creator, I just find out that they're German. Like suddenly, it's just like they just, I don't know, they go to Edeka and have everything in German there, and I'm just like, you're German? It's so weird. Hi, Scotland. Germany hits different through the whole world. Are we really interesting? I mean, one thing I actually heard, which is not a stereotype, is that we do walk a lot. Like everywhere, basically. No, why are you saying sorry? This comment section now belongs to the BRD. It does. Walking is healthy, it is. I walk like 18,000 steps every day. So yeah, it is healthy. Even in America, there are places where they speak German. Is it true? We did watch a video about that. 18,000? Yeah, 17 to 18,000 steps every day. I'm happy to hit 10. Yeah, but I also do need a lot of just movement, which might be due to my ADHD, I guess. Could be my impulsive hyperactive type of ADHD. Maybe. Could be something else though. I'm not sure. It might be. There's several possibilities on that one. Tell that to my boss. These days I'm driving like 6 hours. Oh my goodness, I get 6K. But 6K is also pretty good if you're sitting 10 hours. I mean, I have the luxury of working from home, so I have the option of just using my treadmill. Like I have a treadmill for my desk, like a desk treadmill, and that I can only do that because I work from home. So yeah. Hi Trinity, how are you? That is a very cute emote. I love Kyo's emotes. They're so adorable. Hi Grace Riv, it's so good to see you. Ba, 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 da, da, da. They could be, Walker, they could be. But I got toilet paper yesterday. 5-layer toilet paper. I'm gonna be so freaking spoiled by it. I'm gonna be so spoiled by it, I tell ya. 5 layers. I put it on throne just for the lulz. And someone bought it, and it's like 48 rolls of 5, like, toilet paper with 5 layers. It's a lot. I thought I would do it for the lulz. Well, I'm not cute. Kind of busy. Thank you for the lurk. Thank you. Is the toilet paper near PC? No. But I'm gonna get it. It was actually already sent out, apparently. Nameless! Is Nameless here? Hi, Nero! I often get the ADHD impulse for like 2 hours to walk up here. Same, Bernie! I normally get that at like midnight. I need to go outside at midnight or move around my flat. Just need to do that. Can you speak French? Je parle un peu de français, mais mon français est très mauvais. Très. Like, it's really, really bad. I do understand it a little bit. Oui. Hi, Sven. I can write Nameless. Nah, it's not important. Just wanted to tell him that his book already arrived. Treadmill under the desk is pretty smart. Maybe I should get... You should! It's so fun. That was great. Ma prononciation est terrible. I guess, like, my pronunciation is so bad. What's with me? My book arrived. Thank you again. Thank you. It already arrived, like, today. I was pretty surprised about it. Hi, Demon. I am not cute. No, definitely not. No worries, Gravlanga. No worries. I hope you have a fun lurg. Do you mean Nameless Panda? No, Nameless Paint. Mr. Nameless, you're expected at the southern exit. I can only say the French sentence everyone can say. The voulez-vous coucher avec moi? Yeah, that one? Yeah. Although, bonjour. Je m'appelle Runia. Ou la Tour Eiffel. No, I'm not cute. Those ones, yeah. Ma chat est blond. Je voudrais un croissant. Yeah, those ones. The ones you learn from Duolingo. My French pronunciation is so bad. Last time I said she's cute. I am not cute. Nope. Nope. Hi, Xavros. It's good to see you. How are you? I actually wanted to look at... I don't... That's Japanese, right? I can't read Japanese. I can only read a little bit of Hangul, but not a lot. I always have these like impulses to learn a new language, and then I get into it for like 2 days, and then I forget everything about it. Yay. Hi, Hera. So good to see you. I mean, I'm glad that I speak 2 languages and understand a little teeny tiny bit of French. That's something, I guess. There are so many languages I would love to learn, like Korean, Japanese, Gaelic, definitely. Spanish, French, Portuguese would also be nice. Italian, like all of the Roman languages. Yeah, those are like my main ones. Thai, I would also love to know Thai. Yeah. Hi, Hero. Duolingo is getting flashbacks too. He's coming for you. Spanish or Spanish? Oh no. Or Shameless Panda or Duckies. But no. I only remember the basics in French. I can introduce myself, can say where I live. Yeah, j'habite à... I'm happy I speak German, English, and sarcastic fluently. Yeah, sarcastic is also pretty nice. If you want to expand on your coding knowledge, English is your best bet. Yeah, definitely. You spoke French, chat didn't convert to French. But if you spoke German, the whole chat could convert to German. Probably most of the chat could convert to German. Elvish, yes. No, Fluffy. No frogus. Froggy frog. Ba-da-ba-da-bum. No, you can't speak German. Well, that's sad. But I do understand not wanting to learn German. I do understand that. There are so many articles in German. It's... Ugh. I hate it. It's even, like... Because I had to learn French, I'm just like, I understand the struggles with articles, yeah. And if you can convert into French, never ever. Hiragana and katakana and a bit of vocabulary last year, and then there was too much stress in my life and I didn't have the time to learn further. I even forgot some hiragana today. I forgot a lot of the Hangul, even though I was capable of reading all the Hangul letters, but I just didn't use it, and now I don't know most of the Hangul anymore. I think actually that there's a lot in chat. Like, if we had to do a poll of what people actually talk, not just had in school and talk a little bit, I think the one that would win is probably actually Russian, Walker, or Polish, one of both, because I know that a lot of viewers have like Russian or Polish heritage. Like, compared to the ones that are just German? Yeah. Just read the materials I need for the next upgrade. Enough Monster Hunter for today? Oh! I'm still not gonna play Monster Hunter, chat. That's why some dialects are wonderful, like Berlinerisch. Every article turns into dit. Dit is aber ganz... Yep, so yeah. Japanese is the hardest language that I've ever heard. I mean, I love... It depends. I also love French. Like, a lot. I also can speak a lot of mean, like asking Ronya to Google if loops and... No worries, Xavros. Thank you so much for the lyric. I am not a duck. German only sounds so aggressive if you make it sound aggressive, because you can say Gänseblümchen, but you could also say Gänseblümchen. So yeah, it depends on how you pronounce it. It depends on your intent. But I think it also has like just I tried to learn some SD at some point, and surprising thing to me was them not using any articles at all. It's not the banana, it's just banana. Oh, that is interesting. Well, it didn't bring up Russian. I can say yes and no in Russian. Oh, and vodka. Yeah, exactly, Ramke, exactly. But the grammar is difficult. Yeah. There's stuff like Plusquamperfekt. I still don't remember what that is. I had that in primary school, but I don't remember all of the Plusquamperfekt. I do remember what Futur 2 is. So we have like two things to say that something will happen in the future. We have something will happen in the future, like I will go outside. And then we have the Futur 2, which is to explain something that will have been done in the future. So it will be finished in the future. So you would say, I will have gone outside. Something like, it's so done. It's Futur 2. It's fun. I just like saying German words. Plusquamperfekt. I still can't remember what that is, but it's a tense, I guess. I learned that sometime. I'm not Dutch and not cute. No. I still believe that Dutch are just Englishmen trying to sound like they're speaking German. Krankenwagen. Yeah, stuff like that. Yeah, genau, Vika. Sorry. Yeah, exactly. Norwegian is also fun. And Swedish, yeah. Whoever came up with Plusquamperfekt was a monster. Yeah. Today there was... My sweatpants came... Ooh! But I got to say the pants are quite heavy lined and pretty hot. So it's rather something for winter, Simon, I guess. I need new sweatpants and I really want to buy my own sweatpants. But are you happy with the quality? I hope so much. The code will have been completed. Yeah, something like that, Glenn. German language equals syntax error. It does. Let's talk about Mandarin. That has billions of characters. My sister is actually learning Mandarin. And just like the little teeny tiny subtle differences between some words. It's so crazy. Just like in spelling wise. I mean, we also... That's something that happens in every language. For example, Texas and Texas. I always say I hate Texas, but I don't hate Texas. You know, I hate Texas, but I don't hate Texas. So that is stuff that always happens in different languages. But for Mandarin, it's also like within the character that there is like a subtle difference, and it just changes the meaning like totally. It's interesting. Swedish and German are quite similar. Yeah. It's funny when you read a Swedish text and you're like, oh my goodness, I just understood what you said. Damn. German grammar is funny. I can tell my foreign friends how to say a sentence, but that when they ask me why, yeah, exactly. No idea. It's just how it is. Yeah. No, I don't hate Texas. I hate Texas. She hates Texas and no. The pronunciation in Mandarin. Oh my goodness. I think I would probably always say stuff wrong. I play a game and the chat was full of Spanish. Now the chat is full of Japanese, so I think I have to learn Spanish and Japanese now. Do it. The size ran way too small. Oh no! But the angel stand. Oh no! But the keychain is cute. But you're gone. They will replace it. That's something. At least I got... Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry that you had some problems with it. Oh man. I'm also... I had the same kind of problem because I kind of want to get the joggers for myself, but I don't know which size to order. Because, yeah, the size is like something in the 20s, but with centimeters and not inches. Because 20-something inches would make sense, but it's 20-something centimeters. And no one has a waist with 20-something centimeters. Okay, not no one, but almost no one. It really takes some time to write those characters. Definitely. Absolutely. I think languages in general are just so interesting, and like the differences but also similarities between languages. For example, what I had for what helped me a little bit in French, or is still helping me in French, is knowing English, because some words are just, yeah, obviously they're not pronounced the same way, but if you're just reading French, you're just sometimes like, attention and attention. Yeah, obviously that's the same word. So I do know what it is, and that's kind of fun. But I also love like the linguistic historical background from languages, just seeing where they actually originate from. For example, we had that in advanced course English. Our tutor was talking to us about why they obviously had they spoke French at the courts in England for quite a long time, and that's why some words have French roots and the other ones have, I think, is it Latin or, but some English words have more French roots because they spoke French at their court. But then there was also the difference. Her example was pig and pork. Pig had, I don't know what the roots are, but the other roots English has, because it was like the common folk bred pigs, and they were calling them pigs. But they didn't eat the pigs. They only bred them. And that's why pork has apparently French, roots. Like the word has French roots. Hi, AR. It's not your fault, Ronja. I ordered an XL crew neck and I thought about getting the L instead. Can't put the XL on fully, but I also can't find the tag to see if they sent me the right size. Huh. But, I'm just thinking about options here. Did they have bigger sizes than the XL? But because they have the size guide for the shirts and sweatshirts and stuff was pretty accurate, I think. But I'm not sure. If you plan on learning a lot of languages, learn Latin first. Yeah, definitely. Pigs is Nordic word. Yeah, it would make sense. French roots, like the fresh... No, it's not... Croissant is not bread. Stop it. Bread pigs. No, don't, not... Croissant is not bread. It's Blätterteiggebäck, Plundergebäck. It's not bread. Okay. I'll take care of it, okay? I hope you still have a lot of fun with the keychain. They have West Germanic, North Germanic, Latin, French, and Greek words. Yeah, thank you, Benny, thank you. A pastry, exactly, it's a pastry, it's not bread. No, it's not bread. Proud German, yes, I'm a proud German depressive bread. Bernd das Brot, that's me. Saying croissant is bread is blasphemy, exactly. Thank you, AR. I've never worn anything over an XL in my life, and sometimes wear L. When I tried measuring what they send me, the sizes between L and XL. Yeah, maybe they just send you the L instead of the XL then. What do you think he's nightmare fuel? I love him. Hi, Natsu. Toasters and bread, croissant. No, Walker, I will freaking... I always forget if you're gonna be at Dokumi. You're not gonna be at Dokumi, because I would kick you if you're at Dokumi. Like, I would kick you. Like, a lot. The funny thing is that I only realized that I come from Central Asia and from Europe at the same time. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, Romka, yeah. You don't have to explain. Exactly, Natsu, exactly. I would pay for getting kicked. How much? We said 5 years per gig. Those would be easy 5 euros, actually. Tomorrow on the news, German VTuber sells stream followers. No! Nah. Depends on the way it hurts and how often you will kick. Oh my god. I'm so excited for Dokumi, by the way. I got my mock-ups for the Dokumi merch. There's gonna be 2 different types of keychains. I ordered 75 of one keychain and 25 of the other keychain. Yeah. There's gonna be stickers. There's gonna be one standee, art prints. And I was thinking about maybe also producing some mugs, coffee mugs, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. But that's basically what the merch is gonna entail. I'm really excited for the keychains and stuff. No Walker, no. Was the stream good? I coded. You want to see my wonderful coding project? It's so beautiful. Look at it. I can't believe that we just yapped for 3 hours. I can't believe it. So small kicks don't hurt. They're like small stings. What? No. When he wants to kick a few people, I will kick everyone. Me too. Yes, I'm so excited. The mugs are gonna be normal size. Oh, yeah. I have been... Oh my goodness. Do you know what I've been doing for the last 4 days? I've been searching for... Okay. I am so annoyed. Every freaking company that produces mugs where you can just let them print stuff on your mugs have the same mug. And I don't like those ones. And I'm so annoyed. I can't find a good company with a minimum order size that I can actually like use. I can't order 100 mugs. It's not possible. I need a minimum order size of maximum 36, and I can't find nice mugs because every freaking... Okay, let me show you. Every freaking mug looks like is shaped like this one. I mean, they do look cute sometimes, but oh no, it's a web that can I... Come on, let me just save the picture, please. Thank you. Every single one is shaped like this, and I hate this one. I want a different shape, but I can't, and I don't know where to get them in a order size that I can actually, sell. Because 100 is just way too much. You'll run late. You have not ordered them yet? No, I won't run late because they are produced in Germany. The mugs are produced in Germany. And it's okay. I still have time till mid-April for most of my orders. I'm gonna order the Buna standees this week because otherwise they won't arrive on time. And I'm still kind of worried that they will not arrive on time if I order them now. And I'm gonna order one other thing that... the t-shirts. I'm gonna order the t-shirts next week. Those are the last ones that take longer. And everything else, like art prints and mugs, are produced in Germany. So that's not a problem. I can still technically order them like 2 weeks before Dokumi. Hi, Stone. I think my company is still looking for UI designers. Are you interested? I need the undiagnosed mug. You're gonna get it. but it's probably gonna be this shape, and I hate this shape. I just want something different because everyone has this shape. You know what I mean? No worries, Decaf. Yeah, it's so cute, isn't it? I mean, I don't know where the mugs themselves are made, but they're gonna be printed in Germany. Hi, Stone again. Sure, yes, I'm sure. How about Duck Shade? I mean, there is one company that has these ones. But the problem is they're out of stock. Wait, where are they? And the other ones, and for the other ones that have mugs that look like the one I'm gonna show you, you can't print more than 3 colors. And all of my designs have more than 3 colors. I need the 4-color printing option. And they just don't have that. And I'm really annoyed because either the minimum size is too much, or they don't have an option to print 4 colors. The 4-color way. I'm really annoyed at that. I found one option that has these kinds of mugs, and I like them way more. But they're not in stock. And I'm so annoyed at that. XXL mugs. Yeah, but I found a lot of mugs, but not any that I could use. I'm not gonna give you a duck. Yeah, Holodrin, exactly. Or the one that is most widely available. Because, like I said, I've been looking for other mugs that I can use. But every other mug has, like, a minimum order number of, like, 100 or more. And it's really annoying. We're not gonna do a Schnabeltasse. Let me see. Let me see, Toko. UK is also fine because my keychains are actually and one of my standees is actually gonna come from the UK. Let me see if they have the same issue. Well, I think I've been on this site yesterday. I think I checked this site yesterday. They have the XXL one. Yeah, but the logo size is too small. The print. Oh, this one could work. Let me see. Oh, this one could maybe work. Ah, nah, but I don't like that one. Could this one work? Oh, this one could work as well. Ah, nah, the print canvas is also sometimes too small. So it's either the minimum order number, the print size, because sometimes you can only print an actual logo on there and not like a big picture, or the shape, and it's really annoying. I've been looking for 4 days already. I looked on so many websites already. No espresso mugs, no. Oh, this one could work. No, I don't think. Yeah, I think I've been on. Yeah, okay, yeah, I did look on this website yesterday, but most of the ones that would fit my criteria have you can't print a big picture on it, like not a big. It's so annoying. I'm so sorry. Just whatever you do, don't produce this what kind of. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. To give you a reason, I have a num for community, the Fallen Duck. No! We're not gonna be called the Fallen Ducklings. If I'm finished, I can never ever step a foot into Germany. Ronja will find me and kick me so bad I regret all I've ever said. Yeah, Walker. Yeah, you got that right. You got that one right. Yeah, I did look on HelloPrint yesterday. I'm just so annoyed. This one is also pretty nice. Could this one work, technically? How big is the... It's 25... Yeah, for example, you've got this one. This is 25 by 60 millimeters. Canvas. Which is not big enough. And I'm so annoyed. But there is actually one person I'm gonna talk to about it. Maybe. She can never give all out. I can. I don't know, Zyma. It could be, but I don't know. I know that it normally is quite expensive, actually. I need to go. No worries. Sleep well, sleep tight, don't let the bed bugs bite you, Natsu. And hi, Nicole. It's so good to see you. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you had an amazing day so far. Yeah, and all of the ones that have a big enough print size are just that shape I just showed you. Oh, man. That's so sad, Joe. That's just so sad. I just want a cool mug. A cool looking mug. Ah, dang it. But maybe, yeah, maybe I just have to talk to my contacts. If they... No, I'm not gonna do thermo mugs. No, no. No, definitely not. This one is so nice. There is a thing called Emma merch. They have one that I love, but you need to buy 100. So yeah, they like Emma merch. I already saw that website. They have so many mugs that I love, but you would have to buy 100. Maybe your management knows some companies, yeah. And I'll ask Zakami merch, who produced my. Well, I could also ask Leitmotiv, technically. Maybe they know. I don't know yet. Hi, Sam Stola, how are you? It's so good to see you. By the way, for everyone who just came in, you want to see my wonderful coding stuff from today? I don't know yet, Zyma, actually, because sending out mugs is very complicated because they get broken quite easily. Just get home. Oh, that's so nice to hear. I don't know yet, Zyma. I'll try. Definitely. But I don't know if it's possible yet. I could technically ask Leitmotiv if they would do the same as for Quentin again. Could try that, but I'm not sure. What a pity with the mugs. Yeah, but I wanted to ask, I wanted to call the company that uses these mugs when they restock, and ask when and if they will restock. I don't know why, but I'm kind of proud of you for coding. Thank you. Look at my wonderful code. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Wow. I can switch to German, and I can switch back to English, and it's so beautiful. Don't you like it? So beautiful. So freaking beautiful. Comic Sans. Don't you like it? We can also change it. You could change it to, for example, just... You like it better now? I already have a few mugs, but only normal sized ones. Would love. I do understand that. Absolutely, Zima. Hi, Mr. Pine. Did we find the bug in the code? Yeah, we did find a lot of bugs. Yeah, that's Wingdings, but we could also technically use could use this one as well. You like this one? It's so cute. Isn't it the perfect website? I coded so well. Good old hieroglyphs. They're so beautiful, aren't they? Barcodes. We all love them. We all gotta have them. Oh my goodness. Oh no, barcodes. But don't you like my barcodes? I understand what you mean, but I think it's more reasonable to leave it the way it is. Because it's German now, and you know that it's German, and if you switch to English, you know that it's English. Just if you forget what language you selected. They give me bad energy waves. Why? No one will ask how the code looks as long as it works. And as long as it doesn't give you performance issues as well. Yeah, exactly. It's not a switching button. It's a drop-down menu. You forgot to comment your code? I commented... Okay, I didn't really comment. I only commented this part up right there and didn't comment anything else. But I'm pretty proud still. Performance is very important, it is. Have you checked out Yandere Simulator at some point? Everyone hates that performance. Performance-wise. It's horrible performance-wise, as far as I've heard. Ronja coding, just like me commenting, is for noobs. Actually, there will always be people asking how your code looks. It's why we got such an open, big open source community. It's really, I mean, I do like coding. I don't think I would be a really good coder, like, overall. But I do like coding. It's really fun. Oh, by the way, for everyone who just joined in, next week we're only gonna have... We might only have 2 streams. I'm not sure yet. We're definitely gonna have a stream on Monday and on Friday, but we're probably not gonna... No, not probably. We're not gonna have a stream on Wednesday. Because Buna is streaming on Wednesday instead of Thursday next week. Or Friday. Buna could also stream on Friday. Buna could stream on Friday, and then we could stream Monday and Wednesday. And maybe Sunday, I don't know yet. Buna could stream on Friday. We should talk about that tomorrow. Yeah. Because Buna is gonna do something in real life on Thursday, and she's not gonna be home. Friday and Saturday? I mean, it would be a possibility, wouldn't it? We should talk about that tomorrow. It's either Tuesday, Wednesday, or Friday, Saturday. So Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, or Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday. One of both. For Buna, not for me. I'm not a duck, but I'm not a duck. By the way, did you see my new YouTube video yet? Did you see the YouTube video? Wait, I don't have the link. One second. I'll give you the link. Ask her if she has time on Friday. Yeah, I'm gonna ask her. It's right there. Are you ready, Chad? The duck presentation? No! It's a duck presentation, but not from ducks. The one you told us your mess. No. I also wanted to say something else. What it was. Did I forget? Wait. I think I forgot to thank someone for a subby. Didn't I? No. Okay. I was so worried right there. Oh my goodness. I was really worried there. Perfection and presentation is the online outside of the... Yeah, it is. Could have posted it, but I'm 10 seconds delayed. It's fine, no worries. I'm not a duck. I am not a duck. I am not a duck. I'm not a duck. Okay, chat. I'm a bit EP. Oh no! Don't. Let's not end here. Let's not end here. Thank you so much for the follow. Hi, I hope you had an amazing day. Have fun with the follow emotes. No ending the stream yet. I wanted to ask your opinion on something. Because we're gonna have the second outfit debut on the 21st of September again. I'm so excited. But do you want... I wanted to ask your opinion. Do you want to see the outfit before the debut? Like we did last time, where we did a Twitter post revealing the outfit? Or do you want it to be a total surprise? Like not total surprise because I already did some spoilers, some little teeny tiny spoilers. Or do you want it to be a total surprise? Then I need to think of other ways to market on Twitter to, say, look at this outfit debut. It's fun. Come to my outfit debut. Just need to think of ways then. The question is, can you hide it till then? That's also a big question, yeah. Yeah, it would only be on Twitter. Total surprise. Okay. I'm not micro. What do you mean? Hi, Luffy. Can't say because I already saw the full outfit. Okay. Okay, so you want it to be a surprise. Okay. I see. You only get the little teeny tiny spoilers, like little glimpses of the outfit. Okay. Because, you already got like the wings. And I think I did reveal one little other part here. And there's also gonna be a little teeny tiny glimpse for Dokumi goers, because I think I'm gonna have a secret exclusive Runya card at Dokumi. You will basically not see the outfit, but it will be a card with my new design. You see a little bit of the hair and a teeny tiny bit of the top, but that's everything you see in that freaking picture. So yeah. And I will not have that one displayed. It's only the secret Runya card. Exclusive card? Yeah, secret Runya card. I need to get that one. Yeah, Patreon's got spoiler. But you didn't see the model, You only saw the design, not the model. No! You just have to ask for it. The surprise will be a greater challenge for Runya than for us. It definitely will be. It definitely will be a big surprise. Yeah, big challenge. A very, very big challenge. Yeah, okay, so we got that worked out. Actually, Mimi is probably gonna start rigging this month or next month. I'm really excited for it. I told her she is allowed to rig the hat on stream. So if you watch Mimi's streams, you might see my head without my body. So you might see the new hairstyle, but that's it. So I need to say, no, yato. Urunya meet Luna at Dokumi. Yes. I'm so excited. By the way, fitting to the topic, we could raid her today. Is she on? Because she's doing a partner push. Is she on? Oh my goodness, I love the raid emote so much. It's so adorable. Wait, can you see it? Yeah. You can see the raid emote, right? It's so adorable. So adorable. I love everything about it. I'm looking. Ooh. Okay, then let's rate Mimi. Oh, by the way, just because I can chat, I'm gonna promote something. I'm gonna promote, hi. My name is Runya. I have a sub goal for the rigging costs. Because rigging is a lot of money. Because it's a lot of work. And that's why we're gonna rate my rigging mama today. She's amazing. I love her. Please leave a lot of love when we rate her. Are you leaving? Probably yes, because I gotta get up pretty early tomorrow. Because of Buna. And you might see my head without my body, which triggered nightmares. I'm sorry. Did I hear sub goal? Yeah, there is a sub goal. But we actually got like, wait. How much did we get from the sub goal already? We have a lot already, don't we? Yeah, 467. Like the freaking hell. So we get kicked a lot. No, Walker, because you're not gonna... No. I will kick... No.
You know you can't leave now.
Sephonim, thank you so much for the 5 gifted. We've got 400.
You know you can't leave
Oh
now.
no, you triggered the one that it's... Oh no. Hi, Sephonim. Thank you so much
know
for the
you can't
472. Oh, by the way, I need to show it to everyone that just
You know you can't
joined
leave
stream. Look, I coded something. Hi, Burden. Look, I
now.
coded
You know
something.
You can't leave
I did
now.
nothing. Yeah, you didn't do anything today. Where are my kicks? You're gonna get the kicks at Dokumi, okay? Look, I coded something! And I can switch it to German, and then I can switch it back to English. I still don't know how the freaking hell we ended up with a coding stream. No. Still don't know how we ended up there. But that's okay, right? I did nothing a few days ago. Yeah, you did nothing a few days ago. Yeah. It developed into a coding stream. Sometimes things just happen. But I'm really proud of this. I mean, it's not a lot, but I'm still proud. Did I really write that code in with the time it took outside of stream, 4 hours? Yes, I did. It's pretty sad, but whatever. Can be proud of it. When can we get the kicks at Dokumi? I did coding for 8 hours today at university. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we can do that in several months, Walker. Months. We don't know either, but we wouldn't have wanted it any other way to go. Hey, that was plusquamperfect poggers. We all love plusquamperfect. Yeah, still need to figure out how to make this into a possible stream elements overlay. But I can get that working at some point, hopefully, maybe. She said days. I did not say days. Thank you so much, Stephanum. Thank you. Okay. It is 10 ETC. So yeah, lots of coding. For how many days? Kicks at Dokumi. Yeah, you're gonna get a lot of kicks at Dokumi. A lot of kicks. Can't press those buttons. I can press them. They're not broken for me. Okay, let's change something again. Hi, Taizu. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. It's so beautiful. No! Why is it not blue? Change the color. Change. Yes! This? Oh my goodness, now it's really... Oh! Finally, it's a university website from the 2000s. Are you seeing this, Chad? This is literally what university websites look like that were coded in the 2000s. Perfect! Finally! Wait, I can actually look that up. When you can't stop it, I'm sorry. Be happy I didn't say hours or minutes. I know, Chad. Nah, we wouldn't. No, we wouldn't. No. For example... Okay, let me see. Good night, Silver! Okay, these ones look pretty modern, funnily enough. How about this one? No, I don't want the university website. I want the one from the physics department. I don't want the university websites. Maybe something like professor physics website, because the professors sometimes have their own websites and they look like the okay, what is it? Maybe something like this. Something more specific. Hi, Kanas. It's so good to see you every Friday. Oh my goodness. It's tad too young to know early 2000s websites. Technically, I am, but I still see them online. They're still online. I'm trying to find an example. Obviously, I'm not finding an example right now. Why would I okay, I mean, okay. This doesn't have the wild background, but it is kind of an example.
You know you can't leave now.
Oh no. This is
You know you can't leave.
a university website.
You know you can't leave now.
This is a university
You know
website
you can't leave now.
from the University of Frankfurt. And a lot of university websites do kind of look like this. That's plain HTML. Yeah, most of these look like plain HTML. Let me check if there's. Oh no. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Can we get to? No, we can't. But yeah, that's what a lot of university looks looks like. It does. Even we did better in HTML. Even at least we had freaking different colors, didn't we? We did a website like this in our first semester in second week. I did it in 7th grade. Funnily enough. Exactly like this. But with fun colors in the background. But you've got that for a lot of university websites. No, now I closed it. This one? Oh, Chrome. Chrome is... It looks sort of familiar. But a lot of websites look like that. I don't know what it is like if you Google for something like this in English. But if you really get onto those university professor websites, I mean, I'm very, very thankful for most of them, because these are the, okay, to be freaking honest, these are the websites where you will find the most accurate information that you will ever need for university stuff. If you are searching for something specific, so specific that you just can't find it, you will find it on these websites. I will promise. I promise to you. You'll find it right here. Like, promise times 10. It's crazy. Okay, I can't find another I sadly can't find another example. I'm sorry. Dang it. Well, I study websites from our professors look like proper websites. I mean, most of them do look like that now, but you still have some websites from professors that look like that. Substance over style. Exactly, substance over style. If I will ever study or do a doctorate, I will use AI. I mean, AI helped me today, actually, in programming my wonderful button. Okay, but Chad, I've got to get up early tomorrow, and we're gonna go to Mimi. Mimi, my rigging mama. She's doing a partner push right now, so leave all the love you can give to her right there, okay? So that kind of websites is what Runja did her research from. Not the techno. No. And I hope you had a lot of fun. I hope you had a lot of fun in this very random coding stream. Actually, not really a lot, Decaf. I only asked like 2 questions and then I researched them and went crazy because I couldn't find the answers. Oh no, Walker. But you can have a lot of fun at... Oh my... Are there really 130 people just watching me yap? Hi, my name is Runja. If you don't follow me yet, now is your time. Otherwise, you will never find me again. Is that how you do it? I don't know if that's how you do it. Okay, these are my socials. If you don't follow me on my other socials yet, these are my socials. I would be very happy if you follow me there. This is my GG code if you want to get the new Cinder drop, and this is yeah. I think that's it. I think those are the comments we have. Thank you so much. I hope you have a lot of fun at Mimi's. Thank you so much for being here. You are amazing. Never forget that. And we see each other next Monday. Bye-bye.